Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. Trying to get the volume there. I'm your host, Martin, and this episode, damn it, why do I always forget? 476, technical analysis for crypto, Bitcoin and alts, pre-2000 sub-stream still. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please let us know below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord, links in the description. You can also join us on Twitter, links also in the description. One quick second, guys. Let me go through the chat. Let's see who's here, dude. Korean Batasai in the house. Thanks for being here, man. AD, yo. Sahif saying, let's go. Jake's in the house. Thank you for being here, Jake. Much appreciated. Jed Drew, thank you for being here, man. Jeffrey Almore, Diego KMZ99, GME. Yeah, GME is doing crazy, right? Crazy kid. Michael L, what's up? Everything's good. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Ame Hero. I'm not sure what you're saying there, man. Looks like a dip, actually. Yeah. What a slow trading day. Depends. If you were doing stocks, you probably did good, right? Particularly with AMC. It did really good today. Montara is in the house. Thanks for being here, man. trying to go through everyone, make sure who else I'm looking at here. Jeffrey, I'm more bearish than the MACD with potential action to the downside. We'll check out the MACD, man. You rode the GME train. Yeah, a lot of people got on that train. Yeah. Michael says, I assure you, the first week of February, you're going to see an amazing turn for crypto. Hopefully. You were watching at half speed, or quarter speed. Yo, thank you for being here, Firebeard. Let me see. Cheapest country to mine crypto? Probably China, right? If you live in that province where they get a lot of rain and super cheap hydroelectrical, that'll be the best bet, I guess. Out of Flips, what's up? Eric Joyce, thank you for being here. Danny DeVito's in the house as well. Helio, thank you. Good night to Spain. Michael L, thanks for being here, man. It's all coming well the first week of February. That's gonna be interesting. Yo, that's it. Let's roll. Let's go check out the markets. What are we doing there, man? What are we doing there? I was looking at Bitcoin. Let's go check out the markets and figure out what is happening with them. Thanks, Michael. Really appreciate that. So, yo, what do we have here short term? Low, higher low still. Negative momentum, less negative momentum. Are we doing some hidden bullish here? Let's see. 46.55 and 46.96. Oh, interesting. 46.55, 46.96, slightly higher. So we're slightly higher everywhere. I think I have the window open. If I started to get a lot of noise from the outside, I won't have to like go close it. Joel, what's up? Thank you for being here. So yeah, we have this nothingness happening, right? The last thing we have is hidden bullish. Just try and hold on to it, right? We moved sideways, rejected the 20 at least once. We might be cracking back before we actually try to burst through, which, you know, a couple more days to February, right? We'll see if that prediction for Michael L comes true. Neutral 49.64 on the RSI. So nothing on the daily market cap, right? Where's Bitcoin dominance at? 63.83, man. It gained a little bit of dominance yesterday. 0.31% today, gaining 0.14%. Where's the Bitcoin futures at 31,120? We're actually currently above the futures price, 31,282. That's usually not how the market works. Futures have to be above. Michael Rosario, 88 Bitcoin. Let's keep rolling. So, what's happening for Bitcoin on the daily, right? Unlike market cap that had nothing, Bitcoin is creating something. It's creating some strong bullish divergence, finally. Something on the daily, right? We had a lot of nothingness, a couple days of just sideways motion. And that's when we saw a couple of alts pop a little bit, right? And that's what we wanted to see, because we know that's what happens. So, negative, less negative. We don't have it against the RSI. We are dropping slightly lower, which is fine. Again, just against the MACD, we have this strong bullish divergence, and that would bring the potential for action to the upside, right? So that being said, I'm actually going to go check something else here. I've not been below the zero line on the MACD for a while, since September the 4th, right? Everything has been extremely bullish. Wouldn't be weird if we still see this MACD line drop a little bit below the zero while we still make less negative momentum, right? But just start a curve off below the zero. And if we get another cross here, it'd be really, really good. Stone Catone. Thank you for here. Thank you for being here, man. May, what's up? Yeah, the coin list made it back. We actually made it transparent. And I was able to change the font and make it bold and do other things, which also helps. I gotta remove that thing from the end So it's just a coin list because the whole TA thing is already right below where I'm speaking. All right, so there we go. Now it's going to update a little bit. But again, remember, if you want to request coins, follow that small format right there. When I speak, it moves, so it should be extremely evident how to request the coins. Ryan Lothar, did we ever decide if it's a triangle or a downward channel? It's a falling wedge. What could be a falling wedge? Still below the outside of the triangle, not falling, but still within the falling wedge, right? So we'll check that out in a second. Steve, thank you for being here, man. So, Bitcoin starting to pump a little bit, which is fine. It has a strong bullish divergence. It hasn't gotten above the high of 31,432. The highest we've gotten to is 31,346. Let's see if Bitcoin can muster a pump and get above this area. It would be really good for Bitcoin. I hate seeing it at this level. I mean, it could be good if you want to add more. But, you know, for me, it really doesn't do anything. So let's go over here and check out that potential falling wedge that we had, right? See how we're still within that wedge, right? Still going here. So, and we're holding support also here at the 382 of this fib node, right? From low to high. So we're holding some support, which is fine. Still in that falling wedge. And here's a triangle that we broke out of and we tested and rejected, but we're really not taking that drop, right? We're not going for this measure move drop that would get us to the 19K, almost 20K, 19,500 area. So we're really holding on there, right? Culinary Peso. Are you European? No. Thank you for asking. That's the crypto SNX, sure. Let's keep rolling. Lower negative, less negative, right? So we also have the bullish divergence, which not sure if we called this one out yesterday, or maybe I was drawing it today. That's why it's in orange. So it was the first thing I noticed when I opened my chart and saw that Bitcoin was getting above this level again. I was like, oh, there is that strong bullish divergence. I didn't post it on the Discord this time. I just said that it was below 30K. So if you guys want to get more, right? But good. Culinary Peso, look at Cyro Coin. Sure, man, just request it with that small format that pops up there at the bottom where my voice speaks and, you know, the like synthesizer moves or whatever we call this thing. And I'll check it out, man. What's Ethereum looking like? That's gonna be the next coin. Danielle, maybe Phantom. Interesting. It doesn't want to drop below 30. Yeah, it looks like it actually wants to hold on support there, right? It did drop slightly below 30 for some wicks, right? And it looks like it wants to hold on. It could be making a potential double bottom here. I actually just gotta measure that. And I do believe we're gonna be within a 1 to 2%. Yeah, like 1.18% from one low to the other one. We could be looking at the formation of a potential double bottom here, right? And I'm gonna draw it in another chart. I'm gonna draw it in this one because it's a little bit cleaner, right? So I want to be able to see it. The other chart, let's say, has resistances here. I'm gonna place, you know, double bottoms and whatnot, or potential double bottoms, right? Not the best looking double bottom, but it is one of the parameters that we can still consider this to be a double bottom, because be an atom, and this would be forming an atom, right? On that account, we would have our line right here, and that would be on our confirmation line. And breaking to the upside, I would have to like look at the trusty books. I can't remember the percentage, but it should be around a 33% move if that is what happens, right? AGI, sure, man. Marky P, thank you for being here, man. I cannot give advice. Hurricane T, it's over. Bitcoin's making lower highs, lower lows. Google Trends for Bitcoin and going down. Yeah, probably, man. Tristan Nillo, thank you for being here, man. Yeah, get the thumbs up. Move on canceled. I wouldn't cancel it yet. By stonks. Yo. Yeah, let's keep rolling, man. Boomer's in the house. Thank you for being here, Boomer. Who's buying Black Mirror and AMC? I'm in AMC. I have a position open. I bought it yesterday. I left it open for a swing trade till today. And I bought at 420. It was like a 20 something on the overmarket. I think it hit like 24 or some insane number. Then came back by opening bells around 20. and I held a little bit more than I should have. I ended up getting out at 15 or so, and then I just bought back in with the profits at around 13 and a half. So yeah, Crow, sure, man. So yeah, I'm good on AMC, dude. And I'm just playing with the profits now, so that's pretty good. I'm a wild man, leaving that open. I think it's gonna be doing good. I'm not sure if Soka's here. Soka also has a position open on that, and I want to know if he knows where the aftermarket's at, because I haven't looked today. I can look, I guess. I'll look at it after Ethereum, because I'm not gonna do analysis. I just want to see where it's at, but. You don't hold anything more than 45 seconds. Jimmy, dude, I wouldn't get Jimmy right now. Cash, what's up, bro? Thanks for being here. Again, right, if this is potential to a bottom, let's see if we should be seeing some recovery, maybe getting above that 20. On the 4 hour, let's say it's possible, right? We're flirting with this, twist and turn of the MACD and the signal line. It looks like it's hooking back in. We might negate or clear that negative momentum, try to drop more. Soka, do you know if the aftermarket for MC is still high? Like, did it close higher than when we got in today? Algo, sure, man. It's not on the list, so I'll do Algo. And then someone said ALBT, sure, man. Let me get those on the list, right? MC at 14, 16, 61. So we're still doing good on that one, right? You closed at 1990 today? No, that's what we got in, right? 14, or is that post market, or? So it's at 1461 right now. I think we got in at 13 and change, right? Yeah. We'll see how it opens up tomorrow, man. I hope we don't get a beating there. LBT, that's it, man. I got them all down now, I think. Yeah. Abe, sure, man. I'll put it in. I was actually updating the list right now. There we go. Thoughts on ADA? Yeah, we're gonna do it, man. We're gonna cover it. It's actually gonna be Project 10 if nothing gets shifted. Let's keep going through Bitcoin. Again, we had the bullish divergence, right? For potential action to the upside, we're starting to see that come to fruition. Let's see if we can manage to get above 31,432 and then still climb above the 34,400, which is where we last faced resistance, and then we rejected, right? So let's see if this is gonna come through. Neutral at 45.01. We're still in the falling wedge, which is fine. We're still within. We broke outside of the triangle, but we're still in the falling wedge, which is fine, right? Daniel saying the market is going to screw you, but you can screw the market. Yeah, pretty much. Because it's their game, right? They don't like it when people come and beat them at their game. Anyways, low, lower, low, negative, less negative, right? So we had some strong bullish divergence here on the Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and that is something that I was also checking out this morning. Right, this was 8 in the morning or so, which is fine. Hello, then what is this here? 128, 115, right? High, low, positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Nothing bearish right now. Slightly rejected at 31,400 earlier today. Again, finding support. Look, every time we're going high, we're making it a slightly higher low. So this could start a small trend shift for the short term. Crypto man, say we'll never see Ethereum as cheap. Yeah, maybe, dude. The Bitcoin bottom. Maybe, dude. If it's doing a double bottom, potentially, right? That's what I was looking at in the 4-hour. Double bottom, right? Potential double bottom. That's what we should be calling it. And I didn't have this in the 4-hour. So it could be a double bottom. It's potential until we clear confirmation line, right? Once we get above the confirmation line, then we can say it's a double bottom. Right now, it's a potential double bottom. We haven't really gone up there. Culinary peso, you just go add this to the crypto and the coin that you want. It's right below where I'm speaking, right there, man. It tells you how to request. It says TA, add the set of crypto, and then the asset. That's it. Danielle, yeah, they're going to bail them out with taxpayer money, but you still get taxed on capital gains. So basically, they're getting bailed out with the money that you're getting taxed on for taking money from them, I guess. Right? Yo. The Wall Street, yeah, they're saying it's not banned. Theta, sure, man. Is it not on the list for today? No. Sure, man, I'll put it on the list. Sure, man. I got Theta. That's fine, man. I seen it. It's cute on the list. Let's roll. Bitcoin again, 4-hour, right? Let's go to the 1-hour chart because we had bullish divergence. And so we have bullish divergence. We did have a potential head and shoulders pattern here that Jeffrey mentioned yesterday. Measure move of that head and shoulders gotten us to 27,000 and change, 27,900. We haven't hit a measure move of that, right? We just dropped a little bit, found support at 382, trying to hold on to that. Let's see if that can bring us slightly higher. That would, you know, we're just like not going with the patterns, right? Because it could be a fake breakout, right? We just failed to draw up to target. We'll see, man. Again, not lean. Like we also had an inverse double bottom on some time scale. I can't remember what time scale it was. And it failed to pump as well, right? So, you know, it's just probably seeing that indecision. Yep. Let's keep rolling. Anyways, nothing bearish right now, just strong bullish. If this strong bullish doesn't play, I would start to get a little bit worried because we had strong bullish before, right? Strong bullish, pumped, but you know, didn't get higher. Strong bearish that moved us down. Hidden bullish, strong bullish, pump, but failed to get higher in the previous high, and then strong bullish. And if we failed to get higher in the previous high, it could indicate, you know, bullish indicators failing to play out strongly would indicate that the bull trend, the strength of the bull trend that we're in might be waning, right? I'm not gonna call it bear trend yet, but it might be dying out. Someone was saying about like pumping gold from like $25 to $1,000 worth. That was insane. I saw something like that on Twitter, man. People are going insane, right? Like everyone wants to go against everyone. Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin. I'm not going to go shorter time. I should go to the half hour just to make sure we're not missing anything. Nothing bullish to here. Some hidden bearish on the half hour, right, for that movement down. I'll just call it to there. And let's get this rolling, dude. By the way, I'm super happy. We're only 27 subs away from 2K, man. That's insane. You guys are amazing for helping me get there, man. Yeah, I'm not gonna be looking at the chat right now. I gotta move through a couple coins, guys. Please forgive me for that. But I do gotta get some of this stuff going on. Otherwise, it's gonna be messy in a second. So there's gonna be so many requests. So many people in the house. Thank you for being here. Shinchi, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Hand of God Squad. Band Protocol. To the Great British Pound. Sure, man. Jeez, that's a awkward one. I'll just try band. I'll do it to the GBP though, if I can find it. I think someone asked for it the other day, and I couldn't get it here. It was only against the dollar, and that's the way we had to do it. Saya Moore, thanks for being here. Coffee and pie, thanks for warning. Yo, TK tonight? Hopefully, man. Hopefully we get to 2K, right? That's gonna be wild. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Chinchi, let me keep rolling. Let's go to Ethereum, because a lot of you are wondering what's happening with Ethereum. Well, it's at $1,281. So it's really not gone down that much. You did go down, hit that 20 on the closing, and now we're getting above the areas that we want to be above, which is 1,292, and we're almost getting there, which is fine. Again, we have the hidden bullish. It still tracks neutral at 56.23. So again, like, it's not dumping as hard as Bitcoin, right? Although it did dump 9%, and Bitcoin yesterday managed to drop only 6%. Look at Bitcoin's decline since it's high, right? And look at Ethereum's decline since it's high, right? Like, Bitcoin's definitely going down. Ethereum, it's more or less going sideways. It did take its dips, but you know, it's doing better than Bitcoin, let's say, right now. I'm gonna have to close a window if I... Like, there's a lot of noise from the street. One quick second, guys. That's it. Windows closed. Yeah. Let's keep doing Ethereum. Anyways, yes. Moving down, hitting the 20, finding support. Great. Let's go to the 4-hour. CryptoMine 5000. You watch the .com bubble burst. I watched the housing bubble burst. I'm scarred from 1,000 battles. I'll go to Valhalla and back. Something like that, man. Trisvez, how's it going? Thanks for being here. Devonta Edward. W, man. W back to you. This might be from the 1 hour, and I forgot to anchor it there. And I didn't draw the same divergence. I know, because it doesn't make sense where that's at, but I was drawing when I was looking at Bitcoin. And looking at what the market's at, low, high. Here we didn't have that strong bullish like Bitcoin did in the 4 hour. So again, we're pumping probably because Bitcoin is rising a little bit, which again just shows that Bitcoin's back in control of the market. We're going up 2.81%, which is fine. Again, nothing bearish, high, low. Positive is positive. High on our side to lower point, right? Low, high. Maybe less negative, low, high, neutral at 46.68. Let's go to the 1 hour. Opinion on GameStop. Right now, I'd say probably stay away from it. Again, not financial advice. You can do what you want with your money. But it's a hot thing right now, right? So, sure, like when you play with fire, it can get burned. So it's already pumped a lot, right? If you would have gone in at the beginning, you probably would have been fine. But at current prices, you're buying at a premium, and the risk that it explodes and ends up hurting a lot of people is still very high. So. Bile, sure, bro. Yeah, the SEC is going to look into it, but the guys from CNN Money were saying, like, what are they going to do? They're going to try to go after people, yeah, but the people are going to say, dude, it's freedom of speech, right? Someone can come in here and say, I'm going to buy this, and you all should buy that, but, you know, it's going to be hard to prove that there's market manipulation, because everyone has the right to give an opinion, and if then everyone as individuals wants to buy it, then it's the right as individuals to determine whether or not they want to buy it, right? So they're not like market manipulation. If you're a company, it's like a bad thing. But since you're talking about individuals, they would have to prosecute hundreds and hundreds of people individually. And they are all gonna say the same thing. Well, I'm an individual. I wanted to buy it. I got into it because I saw it was pumping. I didn't know anything about what was going on. You know, whatever it is, it's gonna be hard to prove. It's not. They're not gonna be able to do a lawsuit. They're gonna try to like come up with like different things to like lock people out of doing that again. But I don't think they're gonna be able to prosecute a lot of people on this one, right? Crypto Legend, what's up? Dude, yeah, just put the request in, man. Add the state of crypto, GME, and I'll do it, man. I don't think I saw it coming through the request. Anyways, Ethereum on the 1 hour, right? Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, high, low, positive is positive, high on the other side to lower point. And then here in the short term, we're creating some hidden divergence, I think. I'm actually going to zoom in to check it. I think we might not be making it actually. So, or we are? Let's see. Yeah, we're definitely coming slightly higher, right? So from here to here. Slightly higher there. And with that, we're creating this divergence, hidden bearish. Potential for stalling or actually the downside. Let's see if we can pump more and get rid of this. That would be really good. Yeah. Is FOMO illegal now? Yeah. Let's keep rolling. That's it for Ethereum again, right? So, you know, that's good. We're probably better than we were yesterday. We're around the same price that we were at yesterday. Where were we at yesterday, by the way? Like up here? So not that far off. 1,300. We're at 1,272. So really not that far off, right? When we ended the stream, we're probably around here. Yeah, slightly higher. And, you know, we're higher than when we ended the stream, right? Or 1 in the morning, somewhere around here. So, yeah. Not doing that bad, actually. So let's keep rolling. That's it for Ethereum. Let's go RSR. I'm not going to do... I want to remove XRP, Litecoin, and Binance from the list, unless you guys want them to. I queued up XRP and Litecoin later on, because there were not a lot of requests when I started the stream. But I'm really, really thinking about removing some other coins at the beginning that no one's requesting. I'm not sure if you're not requesting because I don't do them. But if you guys want them, I could definitely check them out. That being said, I think my wife needs something from me, so I'll be right back, guys. Just give me one quick second. She rarely bothers me during the stream, so I should probably need something. You want one quick second. Yeah, that was not for me. I think she was talking to one of the kids. Let's do RSR. Yeah, I read that Ethereum partnered with Reddit. That's gonna be interesting. Let's see what they do. So RSR, right? We had this hidden divergence. That just tracks onto there now. This tracks way over here, and we still have hidden bullish. Great. Neutral at 46.27, sitting at 3.2 cents. Not super happy. It's very close to my entry here in the green. I should have wicked it a couple times. Thinking now that I should have exited way up here and taken profits, but you know, I still believe that it has a lot of potential, right? So that's why I'm still holding it. Neutral at, yeah, 46.27. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Right, so high low. High low, high low. Nothing bearish. We hadn't created anything bullish yesterday. Are we creating bullish today? Yes, strong bullish divergence finally for RSR. Come from a lower point to a lower point. So we're creating some of that strong bullish divergence. and that would indicate that there's a possibility for action to the upside. Let's see if we can again manifest this into real price action to the upside. What is this low here? 35.12 and 35.19, slightly higher. If you don't want to say that it's going slightly higher because it's fractions off, you can say it's moving sideways. You would just be creating weak bullish divergence, but it's still bullish divergence nonetheless. And we have it against the MACD and the RSI, which is pretty cool. Now we got back into the previous high, the previous old high that we had made, right, way back when this started, which was up here around 3.3, and we're trying to break above that now. So it's become a resistance. We broke out of the alt fibs that we had traced, the minute fibs that we had up here, which now I'm actually going to get rid of. And yep, well, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Great stuff. Now we do have strong bullish divergence from the previous island to the new low, right? Which is pretty legit. So low, lower, low, much lower low, and we're definitely coming from negative momentum to less negative momentum, right? Again, for that possibility for action to the upside. And we also have it against the RSI. So strong bullish divergence on the 4 hour, strong bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Price action to the upside. We're trying to pump. That's fine. Right now we are sitting below the 20. Not where I would love to see this. Love to see this above the 20 and trying to pump higher. But let's see how things are going to happen here. We did get our cross of the MACD over the signal line. It's just not going up super strong. High, low, positive is positive. High on the RSI to lower point. Nothing bearish. But again, Bitcoin failing to perform, it's probably affecting this project, right? Quite a bit. I did say I was going to look at AMC. Sorry, GameStop. Or no, what was that get requested? AMC? That I just said I was going to check out real quick. Because I wanted to see something there. Ooh, post-market 1250. I don't like that now. I think I should have closed the position when I was on market. Let's go to 1 minute. Yo, it's down a lot. This is my old entry, by the way, 454 when I got in first. And I exited today. Bought back in. And yeah, not good. That's it. That's all I wanted to see here, man. Let's go back to Bitcoin, or what's up next? DVT, man. Let's do DVT. But before I do that, I'm gonna leave the next project queued up. EGLD, man. I have two. I think it's the other one that I look at, but I'll leave that open, leave it on the 1 hour, so it's ready when we come in and check it out in a little bit. Let's go check out DVT, man. Where's the DVT at? Ooh, DVT 9 sats. Great. How much? 2.8? 0.28 cents? Not too bad. It's getting some pullback. That's fine. We probably have bearish divergence. MACD. RSI. Looking at like a symbol indicators. There we go. Gonna turn this into columns and make it green. So it's easy to see, right? Right on. Let's keep rolling, guys. If you guys like what we do, hit like the bell and the sub. Oh, it's coming out too small now. Like the bell and the sub. I'm gonna have to make that larger. I was messing around with the size, and I think I made it too small. But hit like the bell and the sub nonetheless. See what we had here, right? We went slightly higher, and again, you remember I said probably bearish divergence. That is precisely what we created here. I'm actually gonna make this yellow so it's easier to see. And then high to low, right? And high to low against the RSI as well. So it's normal that we're getting some action to the downside, right? We're pumping, we're getting exhausted, we're pulling back a little bit. Let's see how this pullback works. It could be what we need to actually pump more. Whenever we reset the RSI, it's at 46.14, so it's neutral. We already reset the MACD as well. We have some hidden bullish divergence, even from here in the short term, right? Low, high, then negative, more negative, and low on the RSI to a lower point, right? So hidden bullish divergence, we could start stalling. Probably why it's failing to drop more right now. Let's see how this is going to work out for DVT. It's going to be interesting. On 9 sats, let's go to the 4 hour. Higher, positive. More positive, higher, such a hard point, but then here in the short term, we created also that strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Sorry, the RSI. Strong bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down. Bought at 61.45. That's it, dude. There's nothing else. Oh, it just dropped down a lot. 7.2. That's a huge gap to play here, man. If you like playing the gaps, their position here at 9 is not that big. It's just 77,000 DVTs. And the next position is at 9.9. So there's almost 10 points difference, or like a 1 set difference between here and this positions. And there's a huge difference. The spread is so big, dude. Damn. That's insane. That's a very, very large spread. From 7.2 to 9, it's like a 2 set spread, man. Clip picks. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. What do you think about Decentraland? I think it's a cool project. I haven't played there a lot. I just went there for like a reunion once, and that was it, right? Let's go to the daily. High, higher, positive, or positive, high, higher. Nothing bearish. Moving down. 72.7 East, so still overbought. And that's it for DVT. Let's move on. Let's go to E-Gold now. What? Did he pop down when Todd bought DVT? Not sure. That was yesterday, but it recovered again. And today was slightly higher, actually. DVT to LTC was up 4 times spread. That's insane. It doesn't have a lot of volume, I think, there. Let's see. E-Gold. What is this doing, dude? We're looking for bearish divergence. We said it would likely not play, right? Because we are in extremely bullish conditions. We're just pumping higher, right? So, you know, we're getting rid of this now, finally. So no more bearish divergence. If you remember when we talked about this, I said during bullet trends, the bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out, and that's precisely what happened. We did move down for a day, then we pumped more. We ended up getting rid of it, and that's fine, actually. From way back here, we do have that divergence still. Right, but you know, I don't think it's gonna play out as strong now. Maybe, at least looking at this, because it's still like just going up, bouncing at the 20, finding nice support. I would love to see this come down to a 20 again to find support before it pumped, but no, that's what we have. So low to high again, right? Strong bearish divergence on the daily, potential for action to the downside. I'm just gonna leave it at potential because you know it's still super bullish. So let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we also are developing this strong. Last thing we had was hidden bullish, which is fine. And now we're developing this bearish divergence. As you look, we did move down. We flagged. We talked about flagging in the 20 to 20 bounce. Great, man. Great stuff with E-Gold, right? Positive, less positive. Just take into account, this is the second bar we're creating here of positive momentum. It might still go building. That's what I'm saying. It's not definitive yet. And from here to here. So bearish divergence. Potential for action to the downside. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. I'm not sure, dude. Todd hasn't said anything, or I haven't read anything from him. I hope he got his transfer in. I never had problems with the South Exchange, and I've been using it for a while now. That's weird. Low, high. Ooh, Bitcoin triggering an alert. It's crossing up. That's good. I have to check here. We're going higher, yeah, positive, more positive, right? As we're going higher, more positive, but on the RSI, we're still coming lower. So there's a bearish divergence that we have here against the RSI. And that could mean potential action to the downside. That would just indicate that we have bearish divergence on the daily, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. Just a bigger possibility that it moves out. Hey, Todd, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Oh, Bitcoin moving down. I missed it. Sorry about that, man. If that bip is too loud, let me know, because that's the, you know, trading view telling me that we're crossing Bitcoin. So for me, I want to hear that. Montara, that would be funny actually. High higher and then high low, right? So, yep. Bearish divergence strong on the daily, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour for you gold. There's a possibility that it might move down, right? Just again, it's super bullish, so not really gonna go against that. Here, 1 inch is almost 3 inches. I covered 1 inch yesterday, dude. Boomer, thank you for being here, man. I really like the fact that you're here, man. I don't know if you're okay or not, but I'm glad to see you here. Alan Luciani, yo, buenos nachos. Buenos nachos back to you, man. Some good nachos, right? Some tasty nachos, dude. Thank you for being here, guys. I really appreciate you all. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? There's a small gap. It might get filled. The last hollow. Almost forgot to thumbs up the video. Yeah, hit them likes, guys. Come on, hit them likes. Now let's go start doing the request. ICX to the dollar, man. Already have ICX in a couple of someone's like Kraken on the Discord. You know, we already have charted on Binance. It should be behaving more or less the same. I'm not sure when we looked at this last. He doesn't have any data on it. That's weird. Interesting. Okay, we'll make do with this. Trying to see if we have a retrace happening here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some fibs. I'll adjust in a second. Yeah, we're making a valid retrace. Look like we might actually be rejecting that 382, but let me move in and pinpoint. Dude, I didn't want to move that. There we go. So here, I'm just going to move this there. That works. And this here to down here, I guess. We're hitting something slightly higher than this to go. That's the lowest area. That should be good enough. Yeah, we're rejecting the 382 at 94.30 cents. So that's fine. Sitting at 81.98. Now let's zoom in. Are we doing something? Yeah, we're definitely developing some strong bearish divergence. But again, we're super bullish, right? It's like it's behaving like Uni and the other projects that are just like going up high and not caring about the bearish divergence at all. So we do have some strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. All right. And with that, we're bought at 61.85. So potential action to the downside. We already moved down. We're trying to recover. Test of the 20 would have been really nice, like we tested here and here if we're actually running. Let's see how this is going to handle this. It could try to get back above that 382 again. Yep, let's see if it does that on the daily. Again, I'm not going to look for anything bullish because I don't believe it's really going to matter that much. But there was some strong bullish divergence here. And I'm not going to go further back. I'm just going to highlight this one against the MACD. This is the last thing we had before I actually started running. So that's it. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Great. 2K subs until the end of the stream. Let's do it. I hope we do it, man. We have 80 people watching right now. Thank you all for being here. Again, there's not a lot of people coming in tonight. You know, we seem to have plateaued around 82 right now. Trying to get more comfortable here on this chair. Gonna move some stuff around. I'll just put that there for now. Some old USB cells going through. Bile? Sure, dude. It's on the list, Andrew. I think. Bile. It's on the list. It's just that it's a stock, so it's not going to move right now. But it's at position 19, bro. Montara, we need to get you some glasses. Interesting. Cosmos any good? Depends on who prepares them, right? And what kind of like vodka they use. Icon. Short term here, right? Bearish divergence. MA, bring the subs. The lights in the back? The Christmas lights? Yeah, I'll give the Christmas lights. I mean, you've been requesting them for a couple days. We'll see. We'll see. They might bring the subs soon. Who knows, right? People are cheerful around Christmas time, but it's the only lights that I have, guys. Come on. Yo, give me a second. I'll put the lights in. They're all offline. The press after the small crash and haven't noticed everything. Yo, it's fine. Let me put the lights back in. Yeah, 1 second. Yo, thank you for being here, man. I'm gonna put the camera back in. And the lights will be on. There we go. Christmas lights in the background. Because y'all requested that. What? Yo, Andrew, thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll do Bile right after, man. I'm sorry, man. It just got queued out towards the end. You know, you can request pre-stream requests, and I'll put them in prior to stream starting. So just take advantage of that, man. You're there, man. So for sure. After ICX, we'll do Bile, right? Bile, jump in the queue. Move from position 19 to position 7. Moving out a lot. I'm not even sure if you guys can see the lights back there, man. Oh, they're super slow right now. That's why. 1 second. I'm going to make them go quicker. That should be better, man. Right on. So, bearish diversions. Great. Action to downside, move down. Low, high, negative, more negative. Some hidden bullish starting to develop right now in the 4 hour. Low, high. And then, good, more negative, and we don't have it against our side. We're going slightly higher. Neutral, 51.11. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yo, for reals, like the Christmas lights, Steve. That was actually Steve's suggestion that I should throw some Christmas lights back there. You know, yeah. Let's do it, man. Top 50 was behind me. No, it's just the Christmas lights that got requested. So why not, right? I mean, that's I agree that we should get illumination, dude, to the background. So we'll see how that happens, man. Yo, Michael, thank you for that, man. Much appreciated. Are the alerts not coming through? Because I haven't heard them. That's weird. I didn't turn off alerts. It's awkward. I haven't heard the alerts come through on the donations. Is OV? I know it might be, dude. No, it is going to Elgato sound effects, and Elgato sound effects are on. Weird. No, I'm not sure why they're not popping up, dude. That's weird. They should be popping up with like little chart and stuff. So, why am I pasting up there? Let me finish ICX. I'll do Coin, and then I'll check out why these things are not popping up. Again, bearish divergence, action to downside again on ICX on the 1 hour. I probably forget the anchor, so now I got to do that small cleanup. Yeah. Concentrate, man. That's what I need to do. Concentrate on the technicals. Leave the world behind. Get in the zone. On your mind, right? Not physically. 0087, 0088. Slightly more negative. Lower. That's fine. Short term here. Bullish divergence. Yep. By the looks of it, just very short term here. Strong bullish divergence. Initial action to the upside. We did pop. And the music stopped for some reason. Let's restart as well. So in that move up, that's fine. Neutral at 49.71. Neutral, yeah, 49.37. That's it. High low, positive, less positive. More positive. Ooh, hit bearish. I don't like that, man. It's weird. I didn't move anything on the stream from last night, so bearish potential action to downside or stalling. That's it for ICX. Let me do a bile and then after that we'll check out why things are not going right. Let's go on the daily. It's having some bearish divergence right now, Andrew. Right, so high. Again, it's super bullish, right? I'm not sure if like they came out with news or something, but it's looking bullish. That's a good thing, right? It has something bullish going for it, but it's going from high to low on the RSI. Potential action downside moved down on that already today. So do we have it here? Nope, going slightly higher. So let's see back here, man. Am I going to be able to get some data back here? Negative, more negative. Yeah, some hidden bullish, but I mean, hidden bullish doesn't get this insane pump that we got, right? Hidden bullish, like, I mean, it's good for some things, but not for that insane pump. There's probably news come out for this. Hidden bullish divergence right now, bearish divergence. Let me see what's the news for this, man. So Bile to expand laser adoption across all dental care alliances office in the US. So that's why they're pumping, right? They had good news. So that's all from January the 12th. So, you know, that's probably when all this started, here at least. Yeah. So the main pump is on that. And they announced preliminary fourth quarter revenue results and current cash position apparently yesterday. Q4 revenue 8.2 million to 8.5 million. So they actually increased their revenue. So yeah, they're probably doing good. I'm not sure why they're pulling back though. If they're doing it, that's yesterday though, right? So that would have been this pump. Right now, maybe people selling out, man. Let's go to the weekly. Again, this is very likely pumping a news, right? High, low, positive was positive. Hidden bearish divergence against the RSI, right? XRP gonna go boom. Wall Street bet's gonna pump it. Low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish divergence also here, but again, hidden bullish divergence doesn't get you that insane pump. Again, this has to be pumping on the news. So I'm not sure, like, are you want to get into this, Andrew, or you want to know if you should get into this? I'll also throw some fibs out for you, man. So just so you know where we're at. I'm gonna consider this to be a local high and this is a local low for the short-term fibs. And we're making a retrace at 50% and we're rejecting, right? So if I go way up here, I don't think we're gonna be hitting a valid retrace by any means, but I'll do it just for sake of the example. Yeah. If I get up here, we rejected close to 336, but we haven't made a valid retrace. So that's why I'm going with the short-term fibs, right? So from local high to local low and see where we're at. And again, we're rejecting that 50%. So not the best looking. Ooh, beacon crossing, great. That's it for bile, Andrew. I hope you like that. Yeah, let me check that real quick. I mean, it's weird because it should be loading everything up, man. So that transition again. I'll see if I can get that to play, man. The 20... It's weird, the 20 super chat didn't show up here on Stream Elements. So I could play that one from Ryan, right? That was from yesterday. So that they are coming through, but for some reason, right, I'm not seeing the ones from today here. That's like if it's not loading up Stream Elements. So that's awkward. Oh snap. Please tell me the stream's still on. Yeah. I'm not sure what I did here. I hit something I shouldn't have done, but I'm not sure why the latest tips are not coming in. That's just weird, man. I'm sorry about that not showing, guys. Not sure why that's happening. Thanks, Montera. Carthago, thank you for being here. Again, not sure why StreamOn's not coordinating with the for the streams, guys. I'm sorry about that. I wish we all be getting the, you know, donation and the message coming through, but I swear, guys, it's not me. It's this thing's not bringing him out, dude. Not sure why. I'll keep rolling. I'll see if I can, like, I haven't moved anything since yesterday, so I'll see if I can get this fixed. Anyways, bile, that's it for it, man. Andrew, thank you for asking about bile, dude. Again, it's probably pumping on the news. At least from what I can tell, it's highly overbought in the weekly at 84. So just be careful for that, about that, right? And it's also, it's just bought in the daily at 67. All right. Let's go to ZRX. So 0x on the daily, right? It had some bearish divergence here. And from here to here, right? So low to high, high to low, right? And also against the RSI. Just let me make sure this is anchored. It is. High to low. Strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction of downside. It did move down, hit that 20. You set a support for a little bit, take any bounce, high, higher, right? High, higher, high. Positive, less positive. Again, starting to build this island. It's just the first bar that we're getting of positive momentum. And with that, some potential for action to the upside, right? So let's see what's going on there. What? Jake said something on Twitter. WSB chairman says, anybody own Bitcoin? What? Yeah, you think they're gonna pump Bitcoin? That's gonna be insane, dude. Like, a lot of people are replying to that. Like, pump it. I'll show that on the screen, by the way. Like, no joke, for reals. All right. WSB chairman, anybody own Bitcoin? Oh, you're talking about Dogecoin. What is that, a meme crypto? Pump it. Bitcoin, send it. All right. Lolly, absolutely yes. Melvin Capital also shorted the Ethereum liquidation at 8,000. Please spread the word. Michael Saylor, Bitcoin wasn't built in a day. Wow. If you don't like suits, buy GME and AMC. If you don't like the bankers, buy Bitcoin. Wow, interesting. A lot of people getting into this, right? Yeah, wow. It happened 17 minutes ago, and it's already getting a lot of replies from top dogs on crypto. This could bring some bullishness back into Bitcoin. Having to buy $1 worth of every altcoin. Dogecoin to the moon. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure if they're going to pump Dogecoin or they're going to try to pump this, but I'll just hit like and retweet it. Why not? I'm here. Interesting, right? Which someone should tell them to like buy DBT. It's highly undervalued. Bitcoin floating with this area, man. 0x again, bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Still above that 236. Someone should tell them about this channel so they can pump it also, right? Pump this channel to 2,000 subs. That'll actually be funny if they did that. We are creating some hidden bearish divergence here. High, higher, high. High to low. Low to high here and there, so we don't have it against the MACD. Potential bearish divergence developing. It's strong bearish divergence, not hidden, it's strong. And that could imply that there's a possibility for price action to the downside, right? So that being said, bought at 64.14. I want to go on to the 1 hour chart. Huh. All right. So Bitcoin's flirting with the area, right? That's why we keep getting the alert. It's an area that I consider to be important as support. That's why I have an alert there. And it seems like we're trying to get back above it. I'm going to go back to it in a second, but we're trying, and we're really, really fighting to stay back above it, I would say. High, higher, high. Positive, less positive. Some strong bearish divergence there. That would imply that we could be getting potential for action to the downside, right? Bought at 64.75. And yeah, it could be a possibility that this starts to move down a little bit. We'll see. It did manage to manufacture some hidden bullish prior to that pump, which is okay. And the what is this? I forgot the name. The fib notes are not coming through for some reason. So I'm gonna have to go back to the daily and see where we're at with regards to the fibs, but on the 1 hour. So let's go here and there we go, man. That should be good enough. So we're above that 382, which is fine. Try to see if we reject it just as support, which again seems to be okay. The chief says he needs everything to stay down until payday on the 1st. We'll see, man. Let's go to the that's it for CRX, man. Let's go to XRP now. If they pump XRP, it's gonna be weird. XRP, where you at, man? 25.63. Actually, if they did that to piss off the SEC, that was just gonna be insane, right? Like if they go and say, like, you know, XRP dropped because of what the SEC is doing, and now if they go and pump it, that'll just be freaking crazy. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower point. Nothing bullish here on the 1 hour, right? So we're taking a small bounce at a support. We're officially back on this other channel, below 26.629, but above 24.629. And we're sitting at 25.63 cents. So that's it. Nothing happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bearish divergence. Remember this hidden divergence? Sorry, this from the 1 hour. Let's in the back there, man. There we are. There we are, man. Had the hidden bullish. Try to pump, failed, drop lower. We're still creating that same, strong bullish. We're still creating that same strong bullish divergence against the MACD. We don't have it against the RSI. We just lost it and we went lower. That's fine. But against the MACD strong bullish divergence, potential fraction downside. The upside, we're bouncing at a support, which is fine. That 24.629, right? Well, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Remember, I told you guys XRP has a lot of support at this area. Boomer says, I took the bet. Dropped in 1 Ethereum. Okay. Sleazy, that sucks, bro. Bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down, low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to a lower point. Nothing here. I do believe we might be creating some hidden bullish still. Let's see. Yep. So high, slightly higher. High. And high to low, and I forgot to anchor this on the 1 hour. So I'm gonna do that right now. Otherwise it's gonna be really, oh, it's there. Awesome. Ah, tip came through.
Thank you for your analysis on ZRX.
Dude, why did the other tips didn't come through, man? It's weird. The super chats didn't come through. What? Yo, thanks for that, Montara. I'm not sure when you sent that, but that came through, and it's not showing here. So, I'm not sure why the super chats didn't come through. That's awkward, man. That really makes me wonder what's going on with this. Like, they're all turned on. So it's awkward that I'm not getting the super chats to show. Maybe YouTube is delaying the information onto Stream Elements. It's very weird. What's up, U4EA1? I want to keep rolling with this. Yeah, we'll see, man. Again, it kind of sucks, right? Anyways, that's it for XRP. Some hidden bearish. Let's hope it doesn't materialize to more action to downside. I know a lot of people are holding this. They're gonna be in pain. I really want everyone. I really want everyone here to do good on your trades, man. But you know, let's keep rolling, man. Litecoin up next, actually. Someone just mentioned it in the chat, and that's actually the next coin. So it's a sign that we gotta move on. Litecoin at $126.69. Let's go to the daily, man. We had the hidden bullish divergence here. We did pop. Rejected the previous high. We're dropping lower. We still have the hidden bullish here. It's still in play, and also here, right? So potential fraction to the upside at support, right? That's 786. That's it for this on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. This is from the 1 hour also that I was doing earlier today. And I was checking Litecoin and see how it was doing. Hey, Litecoin, how you doing, right? Anyways, low, lower, negative, less negative, some strong bullish divergence on the 4 hour Litecoin. And that's it, right? In the 4 hour. There we go. Negative, less negative momentum. On the other side, we don't have it. We're definitely going lower, sold. Right now, sitting neutral at 40.29. So again, potential fraction to the upside, just like Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, MA, I think it's something to do with YouTube and how the information is being sent to Stream Elements, because subscribers are taking 4 hours to show up, and it's been like that for a while. But the super charts might not be going through. Maybe they changed something on how it's being reported. So in the super chats, I can see them here on the chat, but they're not coming through as alerts. I already checked. Everything is fine there. Cannot do anything, right? That's maybe tomorrow it'll be fixed. Who knows, right? I don't have power over that. We had that hidden bullish divergence, right? Again, like Bitcoin at support, taking that small movement to the opposite, which is fine. But we're starting to create hidden bearish divergence. So, not the coolest thing to do, right? High to low. Right, high to low. Positive. Or positive, right? And also on their side, we're going low to high. So hidden bearish divergence, potential action to downside. Let's see how this is going to play out for Litecoin. That's it for Litecoin. Before I move on to the ADA, I'm actually going to go back to Bitcoin real quick and do a small recap. Yo, thanks, man. I appreciate that. If I haven't seen a super chat, I'm sorry. It just, I think there's been 2 so far, and it's not being alerted. So sorry about that, guys. I really appreciate the support and the generosity that you provide this channel. But, you know, I'm sorry I cannot fix this right now. It's something to do with YouTube. Let's go back to Bitcoin. 31,300. So we just moved down below target. And yeah. See how this is an important area? We just resisted it a couple times, failing to really stay above it. Let's see if we can manage to close above it on this 1 hour candle. Let's see if this Wall Street bets things makes everyone go into Bitcoin and pump it, man. Pump it. Send it to the moon. Let's go to ADA, man. Someone said ADA to the Bitcoin. We're going to check that out right now. Ooh, ADA at 10,350 sats, man. Sorry, not 10,000. 1,305. There's a 0 right next to it from the price. It's at the change, 0.000009. I was like, wow, it did pump a lot. And then I looked at it and I was like, here on the side, and it's like, oh, no, it's just 1,035. Yo, let's keep rolling. The Los Hollow said one more time to 29K. ADA at breaking below 50% line. We had this bearish divergence here, strong. We still have it. If I just drag that onto there, action to downside. Do we ever make it here? I think we might have also had it here. Yep, we did. So strong bearish divergence, action to downside. Starting to move down on that. So it's losing value against Bitcoin, right? ADA being losing ground against Bitcoin. Neutral at 59.82. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. What? Anyways, ADA 4 hour, right? High higher, high, and we're gonna be moving to a lower area, right? Positive, less positive, and high on the RSI to a lower point. So strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. We're in that move. We hit the 20 on a potential bounce and reject it. Now low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, lower point, hidden bullish divergence, right? In here. And from here to here. Please let me have. Yes, I did anchor. Let's go to 1 hour. See what we have here, man. Short term. All right, look at this strong bullish divergence, right? For potential action to the upside. On what is this coin, dude? Cardano to the Bitcoin. What? So potential action to the upside happening. We're getting that small pump, but really struggling to get above that 20 clearly. Right now we're above it, but it doesn't look like we want to stay above that area for some reason. If Bitcoin pumps, it would, and Cardano stays, it would definitely reverse that. But I don't see anything else happening here, man. We have some hidden divergence in the short term, yeah. High to low. Right, and then positive momentum to more positive momentum. We don't have that against RSI, neutral at 49.21, but that's what I'm seeing here, right? OMG, Doge. Is it pumping? Is Doge pumping? That's an idea, dude. Jake said Doge and all capitals, so. Are they pumping that, dude? I took a 15% bounce. That's cool. Why are they gonna pump Doge, dude? They should pump something else. Wow, Doge taking an insane bounce, probably on the Wall Street Bets comments. Let's go to SNX. We got a Doge long. Interesting. Are they pumping other projects? Nah, DVT pulling back, 8.9. Let's see if we can get above 10.4 again. Again, the positions here are not super strong, so they can be eaten up really quickly. Anyway, it's the next dude. Up next. Feeling some Doge FOMO. Wilhelm Wunderbar. Thank you for being here, man. I don't have a lot of Doge. I just have very little. Like, I don't think it's even worth mentioning. Let's go to SNX. $50.79. We're looking for some bearish divergence. We did get that movement to downside. We'll talk about it in a second. So bearish divergence strong. Action to downside. We're moving down, hitting that 20, finding support. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 57.43. We don't have anything here on the daily. On the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence. We moved down slightly. Then we did pump more. We didn't create anything here. We didn't have anything yesterday. We don't have anything right now. Medium bullish divergence by the looks of this. So, sideways motion here. And then coming from negative, less negative. And on the other side, we don't have that. Neutral at 49.27. Again, medium bullish divergence, potential fraction to the outside in that small pump on SNX. And on the 4 hour, we're looking for bearish, on the daily, sorry, on the 1 hour, we're looking for bearish divergence yesterday. We did manage to create it, right? And get that action to the downside. Then we create some hidden bullish, which again is pretty cool for this. So low, high, higher low, right? And then we go negative momentum to more negative momentum. And we might also have it here. 38, 43, 37. Yep. Slightly more here. And some hidden bullish divergence, right? Potential fraction of the upside. Got that small pump happening. High, low, positive is positive. High on the other side to lower point. Nothing there, man. It's 10:30 for me, man. Yeah, Alan, Ava, it's on the list. It should be up there, and it should already be updated. That's it for SNX. Let's move on to AGI. All right, so someone said Doge is really happening, so I'm gonna go back and look at it. Ooh, 19% pump, dude. I wonder if they're gonna get it up to like 1.3. That's gonna be interesting. Engine? Yeah, we looked at that. Not tonight, but we looked at that before in other streams. Doge is still pumping. Let's go do AGI and then we'll go back. We'll be visiting Doge, I guess. It's not gonna matter the technicals because they're pumping it, right? So again, it kind of sucks, but we'll see. I wonder if I should rename the title of the stream to WSB Pumping Doge or something like that. See if more people jump in, man. Might get more views. Oh, we're gonna rename this, dude. I guess Bitcoin and alts is kind of boring, right? Since we don't know if they're really pumping it or not, I'm gonna leave it with a question mark. I cannot make it as an affirmation because, you know, we really don't know if they're pumping it. So why is this not choosing it? There you go. There we are, man. Change the title to that, yeah. It's changed. Let's see. Let's wait an influx of people coming in. Get us to the 2K sub mark. Dude, let's go to AGI, man. AGI, what's happening with that? So I'm gonna queue Doge actually, just because, you know, it's there, but the daily, right? Look, high, slightly higher, high on the 1 hour. Oh, sorry, on the daily, there we go. At 7.58 cents right now. I'm looking at right now. Let's move from here to here, right? High to low, or positive to negative, then high to low on the RSI. Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. Bring it below 20 right now, trying to recover. And then we're going negative, less negative, low to high, right? That's it. That's all I'm saying here. Well, I'm going to move on to the 4-hour chart. So what's happening here with AGI on the 4 hour, right? On the 4 hour, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the rest of the hard point. High, low, positive, negative, high, low. Nothing bullish and nothing bearish in the short term for AGI. Let's go to the 1 hour. Definitely. So from here to here, we create a strong bullish divergence. Get rid of this on the daily. There we are, man. And then from here to here, we also created it, right? You can see it all anchors from the same height. So from here to here. So we hit here and then hit here as well. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. Set up to take dips in Doge. Yeah, on CoinTree I probably can. Not sure if I want to be able to do that today though. Low to high, and then if Coinbase has Doge, you can probably tip me Doge there, but that's it. I don't think I have Doge set up, but anyways, bearish. Jake already told me I need to add more coins there. I need to, for sure. Anyways, hidden bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. That's it for AGI on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. I'm gonna move on and try to fib this, see if we can actually get some fibs working for us. Yeah, we might be able to get some fibs working here. So I'll pinpoint in a second, but I'm gonna consider that the high, and this is the low, and yeah, I'm gonna now zoom in here. So that would work there, and then down here, let's see, a little bit higher, I think. There we go. Again, hitting the 382. We already made a valid retreat. Hitting the 382, and we're rejecting this zone. So that, yeah, that's what we have, right? You bought through Robinhood. What? Can buy Doge in your exchange. Yeah, Jake. I know, dude, right? I need to get the small coins there, man. Like, we're gonna need to like come up with an idea of like which coins we should have there, man. About to break a cent. Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out in a second, dude. Firebeard, I got cut off buying Doge when you moved into AGI. Yeah, that's cool, bro. I'm gonna move on to Doge right now, apparently, because it's pumping. I mean, I'm not gonna analyze it because it's being pumped. We know that. But I'm just gonna keep on like referring to it as I move from coin to coin and see where it's at. Yo, it's pumped a lot, dude. 9.6. It's insane. It's about to hit the 382. %28 pump on Doge. That's crazy, dude. Let's go to Crow. Have two Crow. Can't remember which one we look at. I think it might be this one. Is it this one or this one? Yeah, definitely this one. What? Doge to the moon? Yeah. Right, so low to high. And then we're coming lower on the MACD and the RSI, right? So positive, less positive. And also had a low. So strong bearish divergence, section of downside moving down. Below that 20. And do we have anything here? Low to high, negative, less negative. That's it. I'm not gonna call anything else here, man. That's it for this on the daily. Again, rejecting the 230, yeah, the 236 at 8.49. Well, if it pumps to $1 out, then I'll probably have like $50 worth of Doge. I just owe very little Doge, dude. Roger, can we be like Wall Street bets and buy the shit out of Doge? Dude, I don't know, dude. I don't like market manipulation. A lot of people are going to get wrecked. You just got to think about that, right? At some point in time, people are going to start selling, taking profits. And a lot of people are probably going to get wrecked on Doge. So, yeah. People are probably going to buy at the high and get wrecked on the way down, so. What's happening here with the, Crow? Low, lower, low. Negative momentum, less negative momentum. So I give some strong bullish divergence. Potential for that action to the upside. Sold 37.34 on the RSI. High low, positive, high low. Nothing bearish, right? Again, just moving down. Strong bullish divergence right now. Potential action to the upside. That's fine. We had the bearish divergence way back here, though. I mean, when I said nothing, it's short term, though. Here we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Let's go to the 1 hour. $1 billion market cap for Doge. That's insane. 500 million. Those are game market cap goes to 10 million. Oh, much lower, right? So strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, that's fine. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the other side to lower high. Nothing bearish right now here in the short term. Back here, we created some hidden bearish, right? But right now, here currently, we don't have anything. So strong bullish divergence could still try to get the price of Crow to go up, right? Potential for action to the upside. We don't have that against the RSI, just against the MACD. That's it for Crow. I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin again because, sorry, Doge. Oh, it pulled back. Interesting. Sean Bothier, thank you for the awesome donation, man. For some reason, the stream's not bringing the donations on board. Would you do TA on B Pro and Mana? Sure, bro. I'll do that for you. No worries. Let me put them here right after Crow and before Algo, right? So we just did Crow, so I'm gonna do that. B Pro and Mana. Great. Yeah, it's a large green candle of burningness. Yeah, 18%, right? I think it's on larger candles when it was on this insane pump rally. This one here should be huge. 7%. Dude, that's insane, dude. How much is being pumped? They're pumping it, man. Collect $5, dude. Thank you, Collect, for being here, man. But for some reason, Stream Elements is not bringing in the notifications from YouTube, which is really weird. But thank you for the awesome $5, dude. And was donated. Sean, thank you very much for that 20, man. I really, really appreciate that. Now I'm gonna move on to the requested coins. Trying to find something here. Yeah, it's no longer here. That kind of sucks. Is it here still though? Sorry guys, I'm looking for something real quick before I actually move on to the requested coins. Big bull on H bar. Interesting. How's Doge to Bitcoin? Well, obviously it's going to be the opposite, right? It's going to be gaining against Bitcoin by a lot. So anyway, so let me move on and do the requested coins right now, which is B Pro and Mana. Requested them. Collect, thanks for the support, man. I know you've been wanting to start a dono train since yesterday. Anyways, Sean, yeah, I'm gonna do your coins, bro. Except I'm starting to feel like a pump dump coin. Not sure, Marco. I do believe they have potential. Just in the market needs to stabilize a little bit, right? Meaning, people need to start fearing Bitcoin dropping. Financial institution acceptance or corporation buying? I would say both. They're both important. But financial institution would be interesting to see how they're going to handle that. Anyways, be pro. Let's go check it on the daily. By the way, Sean, you didn't say if you wanted this to be against the coin. I'm just going to do it against the dollar, I assume. So thank you for the awesome donation. Now I'm going to get to do this coins. Great. I'm going to go previous high, right? Or local high to what we're going to consider the local low here. We're doing a valid retrace, which is going to be the important thing. I'm going to like pinpoint the bottom now. Doge coin is flying. Yeah, we know. I'm going to go back to the left after this analysis. Above the 236 and right now rejecting it. So below a 20 even. So not liking that short term. Low, high, negative. Sorry, positive, more positive. Low, high, short term here against the MACD and the RSI. We created some strong bearish divergence, but it's just very small, like over like 5 days or so. But it's still there, right? That strong bearish divergence. Imagine Elon Musk promoting Doge. Yeah. Bearish divergence strong, action to the downside. Now we're creating this hidden bullish divergence, right? Which again, potential action to the downside or stalling. We did rally, hit the 20, rejecting. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. We don't have anything here against the RSI, right? On the hidden bullish, just against the MACD. And we can still get a drop if we reject the 20, right? Zachary Arbor. Wow, it's here for 1K subs. Well, that's cool. It's almost 2K. Yeah. We're struggling today to get to 2K. It's been a struggle. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the button sub. We're like 28 when we started. Now we're at like 23 subs missing. So, see a lot. Go check out Doge. Daniel, I will. But people tipped and I gotta do those coins first. And Wall Street Bets is happening. We talked about that. Anyways, be pro. Let's keep rolling. 4-hour chart. Short term here on the 4-hour, we created some strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. We're getting that movement down. Now the question is going to be whether or not we're doing anything bullish for the price action to go the upside, right? We also have this here. It's just very slight. 60.34. This is 59. So high low. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, right? Bro, video. Hey, finally Christmas lights are back. Yeah, so a lot of people started asking for the Christmas lights, but thank you for that, man. We're gonna try to get better lighting. Someone came in here yesterday and said that they had lighting experience. Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? And yeah, I kind of want to talk to you. You said that. Charles Kennedy, Doge, it's a Benny. Great. Yeah, we know that. If you like the lights, hit the sub. Yeah, a lot of high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Nothing really bullish here. Short term low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish. Again, the strong bearish divergence. So we have. You know what happened? We tried to bounce. On that try to bounce, we hit the 20. You know what happens when we hit the 20 and we reject? We try to look for lower areas of value, right? On that account, we're dropping lower. We're still Have nothing bullish right now. Could try to go up here again, hit and reject. Roger, Doge more, Doge money. I know, we know. That's why the name of the stream says WSB pumping, right? Wow, 110 people coming in. Great. I guess, oh, no more drawings. I'm gonna have to clear the charts tonight. Some charts, old charts, all data. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side, lower point. High, low. Dude, am I gonna call this one here? Yeah. High, low, high, positive, more positive. High, low, positive, less positive, high, there's a lower point. This is at 0.006. So 0.06 cents, right? Like, low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their side to a lower point. From back here, right? I mean, the question is, do we want to acknowledge the small islands, right? They're like separated by one tiny one. This one's not even that big of an island. If that would be the case, we'll be coming from here to here. And then over here. We're also going lower, man. Nope. Never mind that thought. It's just completely not there. Yeah, this is mostly from here to here. We had some strong bullish divergence for the pump, but that's about it, right? I mean, against the MACD, the RSI on the 1 hour. But I'm not seeing a lot happening here, man. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but it's also not the best thing, right? Dude, I'm trying to zoom out to see if I can get like something else happening here. Would this work, man? Potentially, right? It could work like that. Your resistance, and then I mean, it'll just be a down sloping channel. I was looking for some kind of wedge formation. I don't think this is gonna work as a falling wedge right now. Can I get good anchoring points here? That would be at least 2 or 3 touch points. So, I'm gonna keep on going here. Treat Up Go, safe for being here, man. And Brandon Carr, thank you for being here. Roger, Dutch 10K. Interesting. This could work as a resistance to the upside, we'll see. But I'm not finding anything here in the short term. Alright. That's gonna be it for B Pro, dude, right? I mean, doesn't have anything bullish on the 1 hour. Doesn't have anything bullish on the 4 hour. Would the wedge work here? Probably not. This resistance line would work here. That resistance line, I'm not liking it here either. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this one here for B Pro. I fibbed it. We looked at it. We have some hidden bullish. Rejecting the 20. See if we can manage to pump on this. That's it for B Pro, bro. Let's go to Mana. The Central Land. Mana to the dollar. All right, so on Mana, we had bearish divergence at the 1618. That's fine. We're still floating between that 1618 and the previous high that was back here. Nobody at 13.40 cents, sitting at 15.54 cents. Are we doing something else? Oh, high negative. Nothing bullish right now. All right, the only thing we have is this bearishness. We're going down on that. Let's move on to the 4 hour chart. Anyone can get Elon Musk? Sure, man. Let me give him a quick call, man. Right? I'll, have him on speed dial. Camps on Earth. Mana. Yeah, we're doing mana. Dutch is mega pump, bro. I know. That's why the title of the stream is there. We know. And Jake actually was the one that gave us the news that Wall Street Bets. Apparently, it's pumping Dutch. So I'm not sure if they're actually pumping it, or if the fact that they talked about Doge, saying, is that the meme coin? It's making it pump, right? Anyways, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We're taking that pump, hitting that 20 and rejecting. Not necessarily the best thing. You want to get above the 20, not facing it as a resistance. Facing it as a resistance, it's going to mean that we're looking for potential movement down, right? I would be looking at this as a potential resistance line. Gonna switch this to blue so we can keep track of it, and keep that yellow there. Right. Some hidden bullish way back here also. Low, high. So low to higher low, and then low on the RSI to lower point, right? So hidden bullish divergence against the RSI, but strong bullish divergence against the MACD for potential action to the upside here on Mana. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here on Mana. And the fibs are, we're between fibs, that's what we're not coming through. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI, slightly lower. So I'm not finding anything to here that is bullish. Positive. So high, lower, high. Positive, less positive. High on the RSI to lower point. Also nothing bearish here. From here, right, to here, we were creating strong bullish divergence. Let's go from here to here to highlight it. But this is what I would be looking at here on Doge. From here to here and from here to here. Right. Strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We took that pump. Yo, you talked to Elon? Sure, man. I called him. Actually, telepath called him, you know. We're talking about his EX9 son, and, you know, apparently he's good also. He's gonna send a tweet regarding him being CEO again. I'm kidding. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the RSI to a lower point. Neutral at 53.57. Yeah, it said that he was out of cell phone range. You know, it was like being astral. He was in an astral projection to some other realm, I guess. I'm not finding anything here that is bullish short term, right? And also bearishness, low, high, positive, more positive, high, and there's a target point. I'm not finding anything else here on Mana. Again, not looking the hottest, right? It's getting some pullback. It's still between this area, which is fine. You know, the 4 hour just mainly downtrending with some support or strong bullish divergence that could try to pump. You know, we just have this here, not in any other time scale. Zachary, thank you for being here, man. Anyways, that's it for B Pro and Mana. And I gotta scroll up here. So thank you, Sean, both here for requesting those, man. I hope that are satisfied with that, man. Bob Mo, thank you for being here, man. Rev Puckstad. Coinbase not allowing to buy buying of Doge. Yeah. Let's see if we have something else happening here, but I'm not seeing it, dude. I mean, on the daily, we just did some insane moves to the upside again, coming back down on Mana, right on the daily. So that's fine. Nothing off with it, really. Video Conseil, XMR, USDT. Sure, bro, it's gonna go in the queue. Yeah, if it goes to $1, it's gonna be insane, bro. Anyways. Hey, you forgot to subscribe. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Thumbs up. Yeah, thanks for the thumbs up, bro. Viral console. If anyone needs TA, please do the small request format that we have there. Add the state of crypto and then the TA, right? And I'll check it out. Alessandra Silva, Doge is exploding up. Yeah, it's exploring the upside. Yeah, it is moving up. The Wall Street Bets is pumping it, right? So we'll check out Doge real quick here, just to see where it's at, and we'll keep on rolling with other projects, right? Ooh, great. Doge at 1.15. It's on its way to hit 1.3, right? Let's see if we can get there. Just getting here. What's with the dogs? Yeah. Being pumped by Wall Street Bets, guys. Cal of White, bro, just subscribed, liked and joined the Discord. Love your world. Thank you, man. Thanks for loving the work. Appreciate that. Let's keep rolling. Algorand up next. Oh, Decentraland, right? That's Mana Decentraland coin. So let's go to Algorand now. Bearish divergence. Action to the downside, we moved down. Oh no, we broke below the 55.81. Sent support. We're bouncing near the 52.46, but you know, we're still below this area. We had the bearish divergence. We kind of were warned. I told you guys I wasn't sure if it was going to trigger. We're still super bullish. We're still in an uptrend. I mean, it just moved down. It's finding support. It could go on another pump. Neutral at 57.24. Again, there's a possibility, right? We're still super bullish. So bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Brian Davis, here comes a like. Who let the Doge out? That's funny. Yeah, they tweeted about it. They never said they were gonna buy it, and apparently everyone's going insane buying that, right? It's crazy, man. Like they never said going to it, we're gonna buy it or anything like that. It's just like, you know, weird. Anyways, Algorand. Bearish divergence. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the bell on the sub, and also join us on the Discord. Link is in the description, right? High, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side, the higher point. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Bitcoin, it goes again, getting above. Right on the last second, dude. We just opened a new candle. I'm gonna Bitcoin recap after Algorand, probably. We've just been going back to Doge a lot, so how many? Like, I'm not gonna do analysis for Doge. We know it's being pumped. It's just gonna keep on, we're gonna keep on going back to it, right? Zachary, do Elrond. It's up 15%. Expect to hit 100. Sure, man. 1 second. Oh, there we go. Elrond. TRX, sure, bro. Comp, sure. Writing them down the list. Yeah. Anyways, look, guys, I'm gonna start moving because we're queuing up a lot of coins now, so I really gotta get moving through this, right? Bearish divergence, action to downside. That's it. Low, lower, negative. We don't have anything here on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Bearish divergence, action to the downside. We move down on that. That's great. Now lower still, right? Low in the channel that we're in, which is fine. And then I'm gonna anchor for the highest point, right? To the highest point here. So strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. And we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We're moving up, but we're struggling, right? We moved up for a candle. We hit resistance, right? We opened right here at support. Moved up, next candle, undid that, and right now we're trying to get above that 55.81 resistance. If we do, we could be looking for more action to the upside. That would be fine, because we don't have anything bearish right now. High, low, positive was positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Neutral at 50.71. That is it for Algorand. Let's go to AIBT, I guess it was. Or ALBT. ALBT. Aave, sure, man. Aave's already on the list. This coin, this is right after this one, actually. So thanks for that, man. Much appreciated. Is Doge gonna keep going or pull out time? If it's being pumped, it's still gonna go, right? Anyways, before I go into ALBT, I want to do a quick recap of Bitcoin because we haven't done it yet. It's been a couple coins. 31,202. We rejected the 31,400 area, so not liking that. Let's see if we can manage to get higher. We have some bearish divergence now, I guess. Let's see. What is this? 53, 54, slightly higher, and we are coming lower. So high to low. And low to high, right? And also here, low to high. So bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, we're moving down on that. We didn't have this when we started the stream here at 9. That's it. Let's go to AIBT, man, or ALBT, man. Last coin here. Mark Vickery, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Yo, crazy. $18 more subs, guys. 18 more subs to 2K. That's gonna be interesting. Mateo, yeah, well, like someone on the Discord is gonna tell you. Already established that, man. Wall Street Bet's pumping it. Gonna keep moving through the coins. And we have a lot of requests pending, so. All right, so first thing I'm looking at here is this strong bearish divergence that we're starting to build against the RSI. Don't have it against the MACD. Potential action downside, moving down there. Video Council, Conseil, thank you for being here, man. I much appreciate it. Thanks for that €5 tip, man. I really, really appreciate that. Again, for some reason, Stream Elements not bringing out the tips tonight. It's a Stream Elements thing. I already checked, everything is there. Not working. What do you think of coins that are in the top 100 with low volume? Bad sign or good sign? Look, it's not necessarily a bad thing. All that means to me is that they can start stagnating. Maybe bot trading will drop the price a little bit, but when volatility comes back in and they pick up volume, it could go either way, right? Usually volatility come back in or volume. Volume is not an indicator of price action, right? Volume is just how much is being traded. Just like volatility, it just means that whether or not we're stagnating or not. So like here, look, we had like low volatility, right? Look at the moves, they're almost none there, and look at how the volume is, right? It's almost non-existent. All of a sudden we come with volume. Look at this massive wick here, right? And look how much volume we're picking up compared to what we had back here, right? On this previous time here on ALBT, right? And again, volume is not an indicator of price action. It just means that, you know, we could stagnate. We could go into this kind of channels on the Bollinger Bands where we're not doing a lot. Movements are very compressed. And then we finally come with volume and, you know, we just burst through, but we don't know where we're going to burst through, right? The upside or the downside. So low volume, not necessarily a bad thing. It should come back in at some point in time. We'll check that out. Culinary Peso, Tesos. Sure, man. Why not? 25 coins queued in. updating the file. It will come up there on the marquee in a second. I'm gonna keep rolling. I gotta keep going through this. ALBT on the daily. Bearish divergence. Let's go to the 4 hour. Low, high, more positive. High, low. Bearish divergence against the RSI again. Right, from here to here, and from here to here. We created bearish divergence before that, right? Small bearish divergence across a couple things here. And then still have it here. Strong bearish divergence from here to here. And we can track that from here to here, and from here to here. And I forgot to anchor all this in the 4 hours, so FL. Dude. If I don't clean this up, it's going to be really messy when we get to the 1 hour chart. So I really got to do this right now. And that sucks that I forgot to do that. I just realized that towards the end, man. That's it. Do you have something bullish? Yes, hidden bullish divergence. That's why we're getting the small hook to the upside, right? Low, high. Native, more native. Right, and on the other side, we're also having it, at least from this portion here. From here to here. Hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. That's it for ALBT. Let's go here, man. What are we doing here short term? High, higher. I'll take this high to that higher over there. Again, not like going over data, but it's gonna be this, man. Patreon with TA coming soon. Interesting. Not sure. What do you mean Patreon with TA? What do you want? What would you want to see there, man? Phil Mahoney, thank you for being here, man. Hi, thoughts on who you think is generally more volatile, Litecoin, Bitcash? I'm not sure, dude. I haven't really looked at them for volatility. High to low. Low to high. High to low also. And here, we're still going. Are we still going higher here? No, high to low. That's fine. Then low to high here on the last. Then, dude, this has. I'm looking at the bearishness first, right? And then I'm gonna look for the bullishness. I just want to do the charts real quick. So, a lot of highs here on the RSI. So from here to here. Right. So strong bearish divergence, action to downside, move down. Then hidden bearish divergence, action to downside, move down. Then more hidden bearish divergence, and we're rejecting that small pump that we're getting. And are we getting decent divergence on bullish divergence? I'm not sure, man. Short term here, we do have some bullish divergence from here to here, coming lower, and we're going from negative to positive and low to high on the other side. So strong bullish divergence, right? Before we actually got that small pump happening. Huh. Yeah. If you want to see what's happening on Reddit, go check out Bitcoin Jax. He does a subreddit on his channel. He does the top 10 subreddits for Bitcoin. So some of you already follow him. So if you do, congrats. And if you don't, you should go and hit that sub for Jake. He does really cool videos. Lots of YouTubers are doing it. I think it's good to build a community and share your knowledge. Extra revenue. Yeah, I'm not sure. If you're in the Discord, let me know. I'm not sure what the other YouTubers have, man. So I don't want to be doing the same thing that they're doing. Like, are they just doing the same TA that they do live, but they just put it on the Discord or something like that? I'm not sure. Neutral at 52.97. So that's it for ALBT, man. All right. Adnan Jonas, explain why altcoins affect with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the largest. A lot of them pair with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's also the largest part of the market, right? 62% of market cap, 65% of market cap. Thanks, Beach Jedi. People ask for the lights to come back on. They've been there, I just haven't been turning them on. Jake has 100,000 Dutch long. Good luck with that, Jake. Let's go to Ave, dude. I got a lot of projects that I move through. So, Ave. Sorry, guys, if I'm not looking at the chat a lot. Like, a lot of requests started to rain in. I was taking it easy because we didn't have a lot of requests, but all of a sudden, a lot of them just poured in. So, Lower. I'm gonna start here on the 1 hour because I'm already here, and I'll move myself backwards. So strong bullish divergence against the MACD, and probably also against the RSI. Very slight. There we go. Actually, to the outside, we're taking that pump, right? High, higher, possible more positive. High, higher on the RSI. Some hidden bearish against the RSI from back here. That implied that we're gonna get potential action to downside, and we did. We moved down slightly. Great, but not lower than the previous low. Low, high. I have to make this larger. Negative, more negative. Interesting. Some hidden bullish divergence. Great. From here to here. And so negative, more negative. Then we're definitely coming up higher here against the RSI. So hidden bullish, taking that pump again. And then we're coming up higher and going much lower on that positive momentum. So we're creating strong bearish divergence or potential action to downside. And we also have that against the RSI. So great. Let's anchor that to there. And these two here. Strong bearish divergence, moving to downside, move down, hitting that 20. That's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to hard point. Nothing bullish right now. Neutral at 51.08. If we hold on to a 20, we could be looking for a new pump. If we fail, potential movement down. We have support at 199 right now, sitting at $280, which is not bad for AVE. We already established that yesterday. 4 hour AVE, what do we had? Bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside. We moved down slightly, hit that 20, taking a pop. Great. We didn't have anything against the MACD previously, but guess what? Now we do. We go here. And I'm actually going to zoom in here a little bit and see what is this here, man. 236, 251, slightly higher. I'm looking there at the islands, they're tiny, but at least I can anchor to this one there. And it would seem to match with what I have also against the RSI. So, dude, whatever. That's just crazy. Here. Right. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. On that note, we're moving down. Yeah, if you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? Thank you for being here. This is Crypto Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. And we're, we're bought at 64.22. Low, high, low, high. Negative. Nothing else bullish here. That's it for AVE. Again, some bearish divergence. Action to downside. Might want to go to that 20. The 20 being at 267.44. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, we're looking for bearish divergence. Remember, we pulled down. I told you guys we might not materialize this and keep on pumping. Conditions are extremely bullish. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. We still have bearish divergence if we just drag that onto there. But again, extremely bullish still. Could come to move to the downside. We do have the bearish divergence. It would indicate that to go down, but Mark Carey saying only man Doge. We'll let Doge out. Yeah. Anyways, that is it for AVE, right? Bearish divergence. Watch out. It could be a potential move into downside. All I'm saying is potential, right? I'm saying it's going to happen. It's still extremely bullish. Just be careful of that. Again, it's just in an insane parabolic movement to the upside, right? So that's it for AVE. Let's go to Theta. So right now I'm just going to be moving back and forth. I'm not going to start on the daily. So I'm going to move to the daily, to the 1 hour, and then the other one, I'm going to go 1 hour backwards. I would love to do it like I usually do, start from the daily and everything, but it just moves. I have to like reposition a lot of the things here, and I need to move quickly because there's still a lot of things I got to cover. Downsloping channel, right? Using it as support now. That's awesome. We're still above the 20, barely getting above the 20. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side to a higher point. Neutral at 53.58. Last thing we had was that hidden bullish, and that is what's pumping us. High, low, positive, negative, high, low. Nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we're looking for some bearish divergence here. We did move down, hit that 20 and pump. That was great. High, higher, more positive. We established this yesterday. We didn't have anything there. Now we are creating some hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour chart. High, low, higher, low. Right, that's what we're making here. And great, it's in the 4 hour. Awesome. And then here we're coming from negative, more negative momentum. We don't have it against RSI. Neutral at 45.86. This could give us some stalling, maybe potential reversal happening. We might hit that 20. That 20 right now being at 21. Sorry, at 2.12. Right, $2.12. This is sitting at $2.01. Yo, by the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit like them on the sub. Like 168 people here, only 79 likes. We have like 100 more people than we have likes. That's insane. Thank you all for being here and joining us tonight, though, by the way. I really appreciate y'all. We're only 13 subs away from 2K, man. That's so cool. I think we can get there tonight. That's gonna be super, man. At 2,500, we're gonna do something, right? 2,500 is the next milestone. After that, 5K, and after that, 10K. It's a long ways away, but if we manage to get there. Digital 5 live says, I subbed. I almost like you. Thank you for almost liking me, man, and not loathing me. I appreciate that. Let's go to Theta. That's it for Theta, actually. The 1 hour is still pending. Let's go there. I gave you all my money last night. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. That's a nice milestone. Yeah. 2K, we don't have anything to prepare for. It's just like hitting 2K. It's the step prior to us hitting 2.5, right? But it's important. So I like 2K. It sounds cool. Always high, higher, high. Then we're coming down here, right? From positive to less positive and high on our side to lower points. So bearish divergence, strong. Action to downside, we're breaking down on that. Low, lower, negative, more negative momentum. Low on the other side, lower points. Shorter term here, right? Bullish divergence. Strong. So from here to here. And then this looks like it's moving just sideways here. Now slightly lower. So I'm just going to anchor it there. It still applies the same, right? From here to there. And here in the last bit, from here to here. Strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. And that's why we were getting this small pump. Hit that 20 and rejected. Oh no, what are we going to do? Well, we're rejecting, right? We're trying to go lower in the previous low, failed. That's what we're trying to rally again, but we're really filling at the 20. If we cannot get above the 20, we could be looking at a move lower than this previous low, make a little bit less negative momentum, then anchor strong bullish divergence from this island to the new island and a low point on the other side to a higher point. We could be looking for a pump then. Neutral at 44.25 on the RSI. That's it for Theta. Let's go to Band. Someone requested Band to the GBP, but I don't think it's going to show up. It is here. Great. Band at 6.38 pounds. Great. I can do this. Easy. Easy. Right, so first within the same island, right? Low, lower, low, and then negative, low, lower, low still. And I'm just gonna take this by parts. From here to here is one. Strong bullish divergence. Then from here to here is the other one. Strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside right here. Took that pump. Rejected. Strong bullish divergence. Take a new pump. Let's see if we have it here. Nope, lower still. We don't have it against the RSI. Against the MACD, let's see. High, lower, high, positive, less positive, high on the RSI, lower point. Nothing here, man. Let's go back here. Low, positive. Are we doing more positive? Yeah, I'm actually gonna have to zoom in here. Slightly higher. Definitely coming lower on that, right? So bearish divergence, hidden, potential stalling or action to downside to come for this project. And again, remember, hidden divergences are those things that can keep on going higher here. We're making more positive momentum, and we'll still have. We just got to keep on tracking them and see how they're gonna end up when they're gonna end up triggering, right? Looks like waves in Gulf of Mexico, Panama City Beach. Interesting. Huh. Back down. Doge is still going. Interesting. What do you think about AVAX? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at that, Douglas Reeves. Thanks for asking, man. So if I'm not looking at a lot of the chat, dude, I do get a lot. I usually tend to look at the chat, but a lot of requests came in super late, and now I'm trying to move really, really quick through everything. I got a lot of coins still to cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more at least. Yeah, 5 more. And it's already like half, yeah, like 40 till midnight or something like that. So let's keep rolling. 4-hour chart here for Band. High, low, positive, less positive. Here, short term, strong bearish divergence. From here to here, let's anchor this in the 4-hour. Right, action to downside, bring that move down. We just have it against the MACD, not against the RSI. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their set to higher point. Nothing bullish right now. Let's see, lower, negative, more, negative, lower. Nothing bullish here either, man. Interesting. Again, I'm just looking at the latest stuff, right? Like what happened back here is not going to affect us right now. But what's happening here, it's interesting. And when I zoomed out right now, I just realized we're making a triangle here. Great. I'm just going to highlight it. I'm not going to pinpoint it by any means right now, but going like that. And then probably zooming out in here. One quick second, guys. Like this, right? That's the triangle we're doing. One quick second. I'm going to be right back. I think it's like my wife's knocking at the door. I think she's just going to give me some really cool tea. So I'll be right back. I am back. I'm gonna get rid of this be right back screen and transition back here with this. Awesome. There we go. Great. That's it. So, wife hooked me up with some awesome tea, man, which is really cool. Right. So, close Wall Street bets. They're the guys that have been pumping. Someone, am I? I'll cut up the chat. Yeah, been pumping out GameStop and other companies. So if you haven't heard about them, you're probably living under a rock or not looking at the proper news, bro. Thank you for being here, by the way. I'm gonna look at Doge after banned. Again, look at that potential triangle, right? Again, don't discard it. Don't try to ban. It could be the consolidation pattern that we're making right now. I'm just gonna pinpoint this a little bit better. I'm going like that, and you know, again, potential pattern for a band. Let's go to the daily. High, higher, possible, positive, high, low. Right, some bearish divergence here on the daily. Immediately visible for potential action to the downside against the Great British Pound. Right, so again, potential action downside, move down on that. Low, high, negative, more negative. All right, so this works also, right? So I'm just gonna go from here to here, hidden bullish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Action to the upside, we're taking that small bounce, rejecting the 20, and we're starting to drop right on rejection. Well, usually when we hit the 20 and reject, we're looking for a movement down. If we fail to go lower on this previous low, again, we're starting consolidating a triangle. We already know that on the 4 hours, so that's what I'm expecting to see. Like low, high, negative, less negative probably, and low, high in the RSI. I'm actually just going to confirm here. No, negative, more negatives. Right, so some very slight hidden bullish divergence here also on this last bit for band, which could be the reason that that's the fibs. They want to do the fibs right now. From in here, that could be the reason that we're starting to pump a little bit, right? And again, keeping up with the triangle pattern. Can we fib this? Yes, we can. So I'm gonna go from here to here, man. Right, hello, there we go. Making a valid retrace, hitting that 618, great. Coming back down, broke below at 382 right now, trying to pump back above it, and that's awesome, dude. There we are. That is it for this one, dude. 3 subs away from 2K, guys. It's awesome, dude. For reals, no BS, right? 1,997. I know people that were born in that year. Doge comes still alive tonight. Yeah? Look, someone did that as skeleton or something. I sub now, Doge, lol. Thanks for that, man. I appreciate that. Thank you for that, guys. I mean, really, I hope you guys keep coming back for content. I enjoy being here. And a lot of you are starting to become regulars, and I appreciate y'all for that. But if you really like what we're doing here, If you enjoy what we're doing, I'm here every night at 9 p.m. Central. I start, and then I go until like around midnight to 1 p.m. So 4-hour streams, and just doing crypto, right? So join the Discord if you want. Links in the description also. And I hope you enjoy staying here at the State of Crypto and hanging out with us. Well, I'm gonna do Doge right now because apparently it's still pumping, man. It's still pumping. Let's go check it out. Dude, where's the Doge? Yeah, 86%, man. It hasn't gone up. It did get above its previous high, though, right? Look, it's above its previous 100% that I had in my retrace. It's gonna try to go for the 1618. I'm actually gonna fib this inversely on account that I want to get targets to the upside. Mainly, I want to see the 1618 on a similar move. I know you fib from high to low right here, or low to high on this case, but I want to go opposites because I want to know things are at to the upside. And a lot of people are going to give me grief about this. I know that, you know, you're fibbing the opposites. I know. I just want to get target. Dude, the 1618 is at 1.8 cents. Now, to be fair, where I would be anchoring if this were to be the anchoring point that I wanted to do, I'll be moving this up to here, right, and getting short-term fibs, and that would be from this high is considering the 1 hour chart, not the main chart, but that's why I anchored to where it was here, right? I want to see. Now I look and I see the 1618 at 1.6, right? So I'm gonna leave it the way I had it. So we have a target at 1.6 cents and 1.8 cents, right? Doge and State of Crypto to the moon. Yes, that's cool, man. Thanks. Doge is spanking boobies. Yes. Oh, JS, I'm not sure why your message is retracted. Doge, let's run it. I'm not going to do an analysis for this. It's pumping on the insanity of Wall Street bets. There's really nothing I can do. Look at the insane candle. It forced a cross of the MACD over the RSI. It's really just went from being negative and on a trend that was still going negative. The only thing I could have done here was just track that onto there and track that onto there, right? We still had hidden bullish. But this is, it's not Wall Street bets pumping it. It's people that are talking about the fact that Wall Street bets mentioned it that is pumping it, I guess, right? Because Wall Street bet hasn't said they're pumping this. They just said, isn't that meme coin or something like that? And then people just went insane and started buying it, I guess. Right? But thank y'all for being here, guys. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for the awesome support that you give to this channel. I'm going to keep rolling. Oh, we lost a sub, 1,996. That is fine. Along Calzada, thank you for being here, man. Mark says getting yeah. Eventually it would pump it, so they pumped it. Yeah, probably, man, right? You can infer that. Boomer! Nah, they are saying they are pumping it. Yep. Become gonna be illegal. Diego Gallegos, thank you for being here. I much appreciate it. That's it for let's go to XMR, man. I got coins I gotta move through. I'm gonna do a quick recap of Bitcoin though, because we haven't done it. 31,214. Still below the 31,432 mark that I want to see it above, and we know we just rejected it. We are rejecting it, man. So we can get above that area, man. They should go and pump this, right? Bob Barnes gonna go where? SPC 80% short. Interesting. Only future millionaires stay subscribed. They pump flow 1,500%. Cool. DBT pulling back a little bit today. It's fine. 2.78 still. So 2.77. 0.277 cents, yeah. Doge 10K. Sure, right? Why not? Let's go XMR. I like this track. It's called, is it this one that's playing? It's called God Crown. It's pretty legit. So guess it's something. Before I go into XMR, what was it that Sucker said? Oh, WSB mod, the official RWSB Twitter account. Yeah. Andrew bought some Doge. That's interesting, man. $1 would be fine. Yeah. Checking here, make sure I'm not missing anything on the pre-stream requests. I think I'm fine. Keeps rising. Bye, bye, bye. Yeah. So, XMR. Let's go there, man. Let's do it. XMR at 24.67, man. Let's go on the daily. We're looking for this hidden bullish divergence, which is obviously pumping us a little bit. Trying to get us above that 50% retrace line, which is fine. Neutral at 48.19. Not a lot happening here with XMR, right? Sorry, XLM. I want to look at XMR. Here we go. XMR. Oh no, we're breaking down. What? Thank you, Montara, for that, bro. I really appreciate that. Thank you for being here, man. Okay, so last thing we had with Monero, and thank you for the awesome $10 tip and saying it's been a fun night. I'm not sure why it came out in that voice. I thought I had a different one. It's weird, man. I want to recheck stream elements after the stream. So bearish divergence, right? Action to downside, strong bearish divergence. We're moving down on that on the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. Oh, lower, right? Here also, let's see where we're at here. Slightly more negative momentum, right? Negative, slightly more negative. We can tell. This is 2.957, 2.994, 994. So lower negative, more negative. Low on there, set lower points. Sold at 38.68. We have this hidden bullish. Does it still track? That is the question. 380 something, 280. Yeah. This tracks onto there, that tracks onto there. We still have that hidden bullish divergence, and now we actually even have it against the RSI, which is pretty cool. Lower sold at 38.68. Great. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Great. Awesome. High, higher, positive was positive. Bearish divergence, right? Action downside, moving down. Now we are creating some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We're breaking out of this rising channel that we had been in for a while. Rising equidistant channel, right? And bringing it to the downside. So this bullish divergence could try to break us back in. We tested as resistance. It's not good. That would mean that we're breaking out of a uptrend support. We could be looking for a potential move down on that. We could re-anchor, right? This trend's still going to be upsloping, but gotta figure out where we're going to be there, man. Let's see this dude. Sold at 34.60. That's it. On the 4 hour. Again, with that strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. Yeah. Yeah. See, the thing is that those ones, the super chats, are not coming through. I'm not sure why. Thoughts on a possible dollar trend change, hit 50-day EMA for the first time since November. Sure, man, I can check out the DXY right after XMR. Short term from Monero. What did we call last year? Some hidden bullish pop, hit the 20, rejected. Created strong bullish divergence here real quick. I'm gonna do Monero. Finish this one. Has anyone looked at AMC? No, it's being pumped by Wall Street bets, so why would we want to look at it right now? Is it dropping? Are people leaving? AMC, yeah. It dropped a little bit. We looked at it earlier. Sorry, I got confused with GameStop. I actually I left up a swing open. I'm not sure how it's going to be doing tomorrow. Anyways, bearish divergence. Section of the upside going up, hitting that 20, rejecting. High, low, positive is positive. High under our central point neutral at 41.02. So that's it for Monero. Let's go do the dollar index now. For the awesome tip that Bitch Jedi gave us. So, DXY, right? Why did it close it, dude? I had it open before. I know we looked at the DXY plenty of times. How do we know? We had data. Do you ever follow short charts? No. What do I think about Sandal? SNDL? No, I'm not sure, dude. I don't think I've looked at it. I like getting into the project, so no idea. Hef Martin Dutch jumping. Yeah, Wall Street Bet's pumping it. So what are we doing here? High, low, positive is positive, and high on the RSI to a lower point. What is this? 55, 57, 54, right? Slightly lower, also lower here. So nothing bullish right now on the dollar index, right? We're just looking for that potential action to downside. You're saying it's bouncing at the 50, so I'm gonna look at some chart that I have where I have the Bollinger Bands in. There we go. On the daily, right? So let's go DXY, and on the daily, you said the 50 daily moving average we're bouncing at. We're rejecting. Yeah, we hit the 20, the 50. Yep, the 50, man, for sure, right? And we rejected it. We're rejecting it again, but we're still trying to hold support there above right now. Right now, we're between 50s, right? The 50 exponential and the 50 simple. So yeah, it's interesting. Since November, really. It wicked it here also, right? On January the 21st, they hit it and rejected. So November, yep, you're right, November, right? Remember, we broke below it, which is fine. And then we hit it here on January 18th, and we're hitting it again, but we're rejecting it. Right on. So that's it for the DXY, right? You're right, it is bouncing. And let me go here and see what it's doing here, right? On the weekly. On the weekly, we had this, because we pumped back down on the weekly, right? But we're looking for some hidden divergence, which we obviously got rid of. Or is this from the daily? It might be from the daily, actually. Don't leave that there. Actually, I'm going to send it back to daily. Probably makes sense that it's there and not on the weekly. There we go. So that's it. On the weekly, do we have something? Low, lower, negative, less than? Yeah, some strong bullish divergence on the weekly. We just haven't looked at this on the weekly in a while, I guess. Probably like never, right? Sorry guys if I'm not looking at the chat. I do have a lot of stuff I gotta move through, so just bear with me through that, right? It's fine. Strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. It wouldn't be weird if we started pump. Hit that 20 here on the weekly, which is around 91.90. Right now we're sitting at 90.17. So 91.9 on the weekly. And what would that get us on the daily with the Bollinger Bands, right? 91.90. We'll be hitting very, very close to the hundreds, the 100 moving averages, right? That could start getting some crosses of the MACD. fast timelines over slow timelines, giving us some kind of golden crosses happening, right? That could start impulsing the price still up. So interesting. Cool. So those are my thoughts on the DXY, right? Bullish divergence in the weekly. We start trying to go up. It would get us to go higher here on the daily, and it will potentially start to give us some golden crosses that could still impulse the dollar to the upside, right? So one of my Bitcoin alerts just went off. So Bitcoin is bouncing a little bit. It's trying to get above support. Let's go there. Bitcoin 31,457. We are great. Let's see if Bitcoin manages to muster a rally here. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Awesome. There we are, man. Let me check something real quick. Keep rolling here. For some reason, I'm getting something on my phone. Is it alerts? Yep. Some of my alerts are coming through to the phone, even though I already moved them here. So weird. Yo, by the way, guys, thank you for helping me achieve this awesome milestone for this channel. We just hit 2,007 subs. Great. I wasn't even looking for the subs. But thank you guys for that, man. I really appreciate y'all, and thank you for this love and support that you give this channel, man. That is really cool to feel validated with your awesome subscribes and likes and views and time. I really appreciate y'all. Something's off with this. There we go. I know what's off. This is off. Nope, that's it. Weird. Something's off with one of my windows. Viewers, click for Doge, my man. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Ruben's gonna be a millionaire if Doge hits $1. Interesting. Who let the Doge out? Who? All I can give is my time and love, bro. Thanks, man. Tiger PK. I appreciate that, man. Your time and support. It's all I need. I highly appreciate it. GRT's next. Let's bump GRT next. FBI, who let the Doge out? Learning charting. Thank you, man. That's the whole point. You guys can learn stuff. Around. Why did someone ask for Elrond? I can't find it here. It's like a new project or something. It's e-gold. We already checked that, dude. Duh. We did it at the beginning. So if someone requested Elrond, we already did it. I should need to buy the ticker name. It's not a coin that I follow that often, so great. Daniel Johnson says, Doge is bumping to $1. Maybe, dude. Maybe. We don't know where it's going to stop, right? I'm not even sure where it's at right now. $1.3, right? Pulling back a little bit. TRX. The Tron. Sure. Kip got placed on the list now, I guess. Jay just texted me. Not texted me, but sent me a message over Discord. Awesome, there we go, man. Nick Coltish, yes, Keep is now on the list. Thank you for asking, man. Thank you for letting Jake know. He let me know. Make sure I'm not missing anything here. Thank you for being here. And again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. We have an active community there. A lot of people joining on the Discord. And, you can do pre-stream requests. You can do a lot of stuff there just from being here, right? So it's pretty cool. The word GameSpot is shadow banned. Interesting. I didn't know that. Your screen finally registered 2K subs. Cool, man. Let's do TRX because we haven't done it yet. The TRX, what's it doing, man? It sounds like a exercise fitness program, right? Like the TRX. Oh, should get you into shape. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the set hard point. Nothing bullish. Low, high, negative, high, nothing bearish. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish here. Dude, am I not liking this? Weird. Maybe the 4 hour might look clearer, but yeah, not a lot happening here with this, right? It's just moving sideways. 2.89 cents. We were holding on support at 236, but rejecting the 282. And that said, we've just been sideways. It looks boring for TRX. Let's go to the 4 hour. How much Dogecoin can pump? And pump as much Dogecoin can pump as much Dogecoin as Dogecoin can pump, dude, I guess. Don't spam. We don't know. It's being pumped by people, man. Amazing videos of the world. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. I know you come here sometimes, but it's being pumped by people, man. Right? It's being pumped by Wall Street bets, so we don't know how high it can go. It's not pumping on technicals. It's pumping on people's expectations and trying to pump it, I guess. That's what we can say. We're looking for the hidden divergence here, right? Hidden bearish. We got it to here. That's fine. It pumped a little bit more. Did we still create it, or do we create strong bearish divergence? Now, that's going to be the question of the century. Well, first, from here to here, we created also that bearish divergence, right? Here we go, man. The 4 hour anchor there. Great. Awesome. Slightly higher, man. That just tracks onto there. And that tracks onto there, right? Let's play something else. Bearish divergence, action to downside. Low, high, negative, low on the at the higher point. Neutral at 47.65. That's it, right? Hidden bearish divergence moves us down. Not creating anything bullish. Failed to drop lower than the prior low. Could give continuation to the strong bullish divergence that we had back here. Could try to get us to go higher. We're going to hit that 20 potentially on that rally if we muster the rally. And that's going to be at 2.94 cents. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for Tron. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side of the hard point. Coming low, low, and here we have some strong bullish divergence for the action to the upside. We had it twice, once to here, within the same island. I'll do it twice actually, so you can see what I'm looking at, right? So I would have been tracking if I were to be into this project and I was looking at it daily. I would probably be tracking this and seeing that we had strong bullish divergence here. That would indicate a potential action to the upside, right? Went up, hit the 20, rejected here. We don't have anything bearish. Just rejected, and then we drop lower. We might have something bearish on the half hour, right? I'm not gonna go to the half hour for Tron, but look at this, right? Now from one island to the next, which is how you usually want to have divergence, right? From one island to the next, you just want to place strong bullish divergence action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI though, right? So just against the MACD. And with that, we're getting that nice rally, and we are now creating that hidden bearish divergence. Neutral at 56.31. That is it, dude. Alright, so let's go back to Dutch real quick to check it out. Sankatone, can you look at Bitcoin when I get a chance? Sure, man. I just have 3 more coins to go. Comp, Tezos, and Keep, and then we'll just go to the chat and see what's happening there, man. Right. First of all, Doge, real quick. So let's do Doge because it's the pumping coin, right? It's the hot commodity today. Doge 69%, 1.2. It's pulling back. Right. Remember, everything that goes up gets pulled back. Pulling back a lot actually right now on the 1 hour chart, right? The wick is larger than the body of the candle. So pull back. If you come to this channel, you know what that is, and it's expected. Mark McCurry, why it's still Christmas at my house? It's not still Christmas. It's people wanted me to put lights. That's the only lights I have. That's why there's a goal that goes up there on the corner that says ambient lighting. And that's going to allow me to put better lights in the back and not have Christmas lights. But, you know, you guys want lights? That's the only lights I can get right now. Again, this stream is completely funded by the community, right? That's why we have goals. We reach goals, we buy the stuff that we need. How much it pullbacks? We don't know, dude. It's being pumped by people. It's not market. It's not regular market action. It's pumped on expectation and Wall Street bets. Amazing videos of the world. I cannot tell you how much it's gonna pump or drop or pull back right now because it's being pumped on something that's outside of the technicals, right? So just keep that in mind. It's because people on the internet are saying Wall Street bets, saying they're going to pump this. So a lot of people are probably flooding to it on expectation. And that's what's making it pump, right? Like this pump was Elon Musk saying that he was going to be the CEO or something, or maybe back here or some crazy stuff. But, you know, people pump on those things. Not sure how much it's going to pump. It's not technical pumping. It's just pumping that, right? Let's keep rolling. It's been an hour or two of pumping. Wait until we wake up. Yeah, I would agree to that. Wait until like we wake up. Anyways, comp. Move on, right? Comp, Tezos, keep, and then we'll do Bitcoin and Ethereum and Doge. So comp. Never stops pumping, man. I know. 231, higher, positive, less positive, right? Bearish divergence, strong, potential action to downside, move down, and now we're doing some weird, dude, I don't like the consolidation that it's making, right? It's very large swings. I mean, it's a pennant of sorts, but it looks really horrible, right? It looks like this. It's not the best looking consolidation, actually. It's like we're making a giant Dorito, right? And now that just makes me hungry. Just joined. You think Dogecoin will reach $5 ever? Man, probably, man. I'm not sure. Someday in the future, 1,000 years, 100,000 years. Who knows, man? It's being pumped right now by some actors. That's it. Buy Dogecoin when it's boring, then wait. Right now, you're just gonna get wrecked. Yeah. Anyways, bearish divergence, action downside, flagging, consolidating above that 786, which is fine. Not really doing a lot here on comp on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. We did manage to go higher, more positive, higher on the RSI, so nothing bearish here on the 4 hour. Pulling back down a little bit. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Neutral 55.31. Let's go to the 4 hour. Here we had that bullish divergence. That's the last thing we looked at, and we were probably already up here by the stream. That's fine. We're consolidating. We try to pump again. Broke down, hit that 20, pumped. Felt to get higher than the previous high. That's where we're dropping again. Now, do we create some hidden divergence? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. Nothing there. Then here, we finally created some strong bullish divergence from here to here. All right, from here to here. And from here to here. Strong bullish divergence action to the upside. Great, we took that pump. High, low. Positive, less positive, high on the other side, lower point. Nothing bearish. At least not on the 1 hour. Maybe in the half hour, we have some bearish divergence here. I'm just going to show you real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. But from here, right, look at that. Coming up higher, coming down lower, bearish divergence, strong, action to the downside. I'm not going to chart on the half hour for comp, but that's what I was looking for. And we don't have it here. I assume we had it there. I was correct, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to our point. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing here that is bearish or bullish short term. Again, it just looks like regular market motion getting above that 786, which is fine. Maybe the half hour has something here. I'm not going to go there for comp. It's too short of time scale for this project for my taste, so whatever. Can we get Litecoin? I'm a little late. Sure, Mike. We can do a recap of Litecoin in a little bit. Let me go to some projects and I'll do that. Mr. Brad, money is also a meme. It just gets printed. Right, Tezos. Have we looked at Tezos today? I'm not sure if it was on the list. Probably not. I have 2 Tezos. They're both one after the other. Is this the one we look at? Let me go on the daily. Yeah, it looks like this one we look at. Bearish divergence, actually downside, rejecting a fib node, the 382. Came down, hit that 50% retrace. Bounce and is rejecting 3.04, which is a resistance. Right now, seeing a 3.02. We don't have anything bullish right now. Neutral at 57.96. Bearish divergence, getting the move. Holding support at the 20 also, which is very nice. Let's go to the 4 hour. Had the bearish divergence, right? Moving down on that. And then, are we creating more? Nope. Negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish. At least not from the previous island. Short term, same island. We do have some bullish divergence. Strong fraction to the upside from here to here. Low, lower, right? Let me anchor this here on the 4 hour. There we go, man. And then we're going to go from here to here. And we don't have it against the MACD, just against the RSI. Potential action to down the upside on strong bullish divergence. And we're getting that pump on strong bullish divergence at a support, right? Which is good. Got above the 20, rejecting 304. So we can mess, like if we can get that pump to go higher. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Ethereum is up. Nice. Maybe. James Miller, can you buy XDC? You can buy whatever you want, man. I cannot tell you what to buy. If you can find it on an exchange, you can buy it, right? Don't ask for advice in this channel, guys. I cannot give you advice. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish here short term. Maybe the half hour might have something in Teslas. But from the previous island, we have some bullish divergence from here to here. From here to here. I'm gonna ignore that small island there. And from here to here. Strong bullish divergence section to the upside, take that pump. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher point. That's fine. Bought at 62.34. Right now it's consolidating a little bit after that pump, right? And we could potentially try to go on a new high if we consolidate to consider this to be done, right? Consolidation, look, it's still trying to go higher and probably retest that 3.04. That's it for Teslas. Let's go to Keep. I'm gonna say it, saying yes, Ethereum is pumping. We're gonna check in a second. We're gonna do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge again. If Ethereum is pumping, probably Bitcoin is pumping, right? So we're gonna go check. Let's do Keep to the dollar, man. What do we have? Nothing here because it has that large wick above that 50%, but below the 618. Nothing happening here. Neutral at 55.25. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour tip, we had nothing. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 44.35. So, are we creating something here? Yes, I guess we could say that we are creating some hidden divergence here on the 4 hour, and that happened today on the 27th, or yesterday, the 27th. The 4 hour, yeah. So, I would change day, so it's midnight for me. So it happened today, right? We didn't have it yesterday when we looked at this, but we're going low to high. Low to high, right? So, hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, and we're starting to get that small hike happening here on Keep, right? And it looks like when I retest that 618 at what is this, dude? Around 29 cents, 29.7 maybe. Right now we're sitting at 29.3. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Video Console says 100 on 100 coins is the safest bet. If you don't know what you're doing in 5 years, you'll probably be a millionaire. Yeah, if those coins are still around. If you're lucky enough to those coins to be around, right? You can be unlucky and not have anything, man. Let's keep rolling. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Here, short term, strong bullish divergence. Again, keep not looking the strongest because it's still below the 20. Just finally getting above it on this last candle, but it's just kept on rejecting the 20. And that's not good. You don't want to see that. When you hit the 20, you want to see it getting above, particularly if you have bullish divergence, right? Fraction to the upside, you want to see it really, really getting above that 20 like it's doing right now, but it's not really taking off yet, right? But it's getting above the 20, which is good. 20 moving average, right? On the 1 hour. So let's go to here from here, and then from negative, right, to less negative. So I really should be anchoring this from way up here, but it still works from here, still going from a negative to less negative, and that's fine. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Action to the upside, we took that pump, hit the 20, rejected, taking that action to the upside again. Trying to get above that 20, but really not taking off yet. I don't like that part. Neutral at 48.97 is 48.37. We're creating some hidden bearish divergence now. Hello? Low to high. And low to slightly higher. So high, higher, high on the RSI, right? So we have that hidden bearish potential stalling or moving to the downside. It's gonna be for this, man. Let's nice Christmas line. Thank you, Allison Hart, for the comment. I appreciate that. Yeah, people were asking for an elimination. That's the only thing I had. So who knows, right? It is what we have. Keep will go back up, probably. I'm not saying it's not going to go back up. I'm just look, if I zoom out, look at this, dude. Right? It's just, moving sideways here, consolidating this level. So it's not really doing a lot. It's just, if you box the moves over the last couple of days, which is not even a large box, you're going to notice that it's just sideways motion. And that's precisely what I'm going to do, man. Do this from here to here. All right. Most of the moves, even if I ignore that and ignore this at the top here, most of the moves contained here, right? Between that 786, that 50%. So, oh snap, I moved that. There we go. It's just sideways. It's consolidating. It's not doing a lot. Super keep. Let's go do some stuff. What's up, Buggy Player? Thanks for being here. 2K subs, that's what's up, man. By the way, yeah, we hyped it up earlier, and we finally got there. And yeah, 2K subs. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to Bitcoin, 31,777. So yeah, it is going up. Can you go with that support? Try to climb up again on that strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we can materialize that into a pump. Get out of this freaking fallen wedge. That would be really good, right? Confirmation of the fallen wedge being broken would be good. We set potential double bottom forming. Let's see if we can materialize that also into a pump, right? So butt cheeks on Bitcoin. See if it goes up. We'll see. Hitting that 20. We're getting close to hitting that 20. It looks like we need to get above that 20 with strength, right? That's going to be interesting. Thanks, Firebeard. Looks like market's in a rebound. Yeah, they had bullish divergence, right? It's not the only coin that had bullish divergence. Bitcoin had bullish divergence. Ethereum also had that bullish divergence. Or Ethereum didn't have that bullish divergence. I think it had it in the shorter time scales. Yeah, strong bullish divergence. Then we're looking for this bearishness here, which we obviously are killing now because it's following Bitcoin. And yes, it's getting above 1,292. Remember, we said that at the beginning of the stream. We want to get above that area. We are there. It just took us like 4 hours. Great. Strong bullish divergence in play for Ethereum. And I think also Bitcoin had this strong bullish divergence for the 1 hour, right? Look at that. Now we were looking for this bearish divergence. Guess what? Bye-bye. It's gone. Now, shouldn't say that like that because now we have hidden bearish divergence from back here. Oh, no. Right? High to low, low to high. Oh, no. Party pooper, man. That's what we have here. 57.05, 56, slightly lower here. We don't have it against the RSI. We just kind of lost whatever we had here. But against the MACD, we're creating that hidden bearish divergence. Let's hope Bitcoin pumps more and shakes this off. Is Ethereum building this? I didn't check. Forgot to. High, low. Positive, less positive. High on the other side, lower point. Nothing on Ethereum yet on this, right? Great. What do you think about Ethereum Reddit tech partnership? Will it help? Yeah, I think it's interesting. We briefly talked about it, not a lot in detail, but I do believe it could be interesting for Ethereum. I just don't see how they're going to feed Ethereum onto Reddit. Or like what they're going to be doing together, right? So that's just going to be the key part, right? Thanks, Rogue SMK. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like the bell and the sub, and join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Cassover's in the house. Awesome, dude. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Riley Petrov just got here. Thoughts on Bitcoin. Just covered a couple seconds ago. I'm gonna go back to it. It's pumping on hidden bullish divergence, strong. It's creating some hidden divergence. I think that's the last thing we looked at. Wow, someone's doing a $20 to $50 giveaway. That's cool. Jason Neville. We did a $500 giveaway like less than 15 days ago. A lot of people won DBT. At that point in time, it was worth $500. Today, earlier today, it was worth $1,500 what we gave away. That's a good giveaway. That's giving away a good amount of money, right? Actually, a lot of people here won. 29 people walked away with some DBT. And a person walked out with $100 worth of DBT and worth $300 today. So awesome, right? Riley, no worries. I'm on Bitcoin right now. So, look, on the 1 hour, right? Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. Low, higher low, which is good. We're not dropping lower. Now we're creating hidden bearish divergence. It's putting some pressure on that price on Bitcoin, right? So let's see how this is going to work out for Bitcoin if it can shake off this divergence. It's really going to basically needs to pump higher than this previous high at 32,000. Where do we close here? 32,788. Pump above higher than that, and then we could be shaking off that hidden divergence, which it could, right? I'm not saying it could. On the 4 hour Bitcoin, we have that strong bullish divergence as well. So we had it on the 4 hour, we had it on the 1 hour. We knew it was a possibility. Fraction to the upside, we're about to hit that 20 moving average on the 4 hour. Let's see if we can manage to get above it. And on the daily, we just have hidden bullish divergence, strong bullish divergence as well. Fraction to the upside. So we had strong bullish divergence on the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour. So possibilities fraction to the upside were good. Comedy crypto. Anyone like sketch comedy? Sure. Wall Street Bet should tokenize. Yeah. Hopefully Litecoin's going up as well. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's check out Litecoin. We haven't recapped it yet. I did put it up for recap. So let me do this and I'll go to Litecoin now. It's probably catching some of that move, right? I wouldn't be against it catching some of that move, but very likely if Bitcoin's moving up. Litecoin's catching some of that wind. Yeah, 7%. $131.44. Look at that. Nice, dude. It's almost recovering the prior day. Had hidden bullish divergence. Great. Neutral at 46.23 on the other side. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. Very nice. Neutral at 47.21. And on the 1 hour, do we still have this? Yeah, strong bullish divergence. We still have this bearish divergence here that we're still tracking. And it just works like Bitcoin, right? If it pumps more, we're going to get it. We'll still have it against the MACD and the RSI for Litecoin. Let's see if that's going to keep on putting rising the price basically for Litecoin, right? It's going to put some weight for the price to go down, but let's see how it's going to be handled. It's still lightly less. On that account, let's go check out the Doge. See where it's at. Where's the Doge at? 12. It's pulling back. Oh no, it's a mighty pullback. There we go. Yeah, I'm not sure, Anya. Hello. The bot, it's weird. I need to figure out what's going on with it. Anyways. Yep. Bears are canceled. Interesting. That'll be interesting to see happen. $205 people watching. Cool. Thank you for being here. If you feel like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Hell, Matt saying let's pump Doge. I doubt it. Luis Ramos, Dogecoin, anyone? We already checked that out. Yeah, it's pumping. It's pulling back right now. Has some insane wigs, dude. To 15. Yeah, 1.49 cents. Interesting, right? 1.499. A lot of chat happening. Thank you for being here and joining me tonight for this awesome stream. Again, this is Instead of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. If you like the content, hit the like button, sub, join us on the Discord. How much are you in at? I'm not sure. How much am I in what? I'm in for different levels, so I have very balanced entries for Bitcoin. Give some Bitcoin to Young to buy a new laptop. This is laptop died or something? I wasn't checking the chat earlier, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Your core is pumping. That's cool. Huddle the Doge, boss. Yeah, boys. Sure, man. Why not? So watching a fireworks show, yeah. Colin Wannabe, thank you for being here, man. Hey, man, any chance you do know the answer? Try like 10 times, no hard feelings. I'm busy. Dude, Cone, I'm not sure what you're asking. Cone, yeah. What? Like low to high and negative, more negative? Yeah, this is hidden bullish, right? It's different. If you had this on the top, it would be strong bearish, right? Like we're doing right now here on Doge. From here to here. Right, let me get rid of this in the hour. And from here to here. But we're going from positive to negative, right? And then high to low. So strong bearish divergence on Doge. Not sure if you, is that what you were asking, dude? Con wanna be low, high, right? High, low. If you do this on the top, remember, if you're doing it on the top of the chart, imagine this is to be a line, right? If you're doing it on the top of the lines, right? The top of the lines here, top of lines, you're looking for bearish stuff. If you're doing it on the bottom of the lines, right? The spikes on the bottom. And the bottom here, also the MACD, imagine this to be a line though, right? On the bottom of the line, or the bottom here of the line, we're looking for that bullish divergence. We also just manufactured this on the last couple days here, on here, right? So strong, this hidden bullish, and then, hidden bullish here, and then it's strong bearish out here, right? Hidden bullish looks like strong bearish, but it's drawn on the bottom of the chart. I'll do something, dude. I gotta figure, I gotta find time so I can do an educational video on divergences, right? But at some point in time, I'll get it done. Thank you for asking, dude. Dre's Clan, buy Dutch now? You can buy whatever, whenever, dude. You know, I cannot tell you. Yeah, it's all good, Cone. Thank you for asking, man. I appreciate that. Actually, make me notice that divergence. I hadn't seen it earlier. I actually hadn't done Dodge analysis. I haven't done Dutch analysis today. I just looked at it, see where it was at. That's it. Because it was pumping, and it's like the pump is not real on technicals. It's pumping more on the whole Wall Street bets thing than technicals, right? Doge trending #1 on Twitter. Yeah. Can you see volume? Yeah, it's here on the bottom. Right, volume's here. It's picking up volume, not as much volume as it had back here. Right, but again, this day still has 17 hours to go. Let's see how much more volume we pick. Right, look, volume was dying out. Now we're picking up volume again. Jabberwocky's fan. Why is Dutch pumping? Wall Street Bets. Wall Street Bets tweeted something and now it's pumping. I'll show the tweet. The mighty tweet that's making this pump. What?
Hashtag Donna trained Sean B.
What was that? Thank you. Whoa, thank you for that awesome.
Pro and Mana?
Yes.
Thoughts on a possible DXY trend change? Hit 50-day ammo for the first time since November.
So,
what do you think of coins that are in the top 100 with a low volume? Bad sign or good sign?
You see that? That's YouTube. You remember how things were not adding up here on the top? Right up there where the golds are? Right? Yeah, that's why I guess, right? Montara? Like, we weren't getting those earlier. And then all of a sudden they're coming in. And I told you there was something off with the YouTube, right? So now they all came in. I was like, tripped out. I was like, and they all came in here right now. Look, in the last minute, because you can see here, right, when things come in. So I had this one from you at 46 minutes ago, and then all this one came in, right? Collect at 2 hours ago, and then Video Council at 1 hour ago, and Sean Bautier at 2 hours ago, and then Beach Jedi at 43 minutes ago. So they're loading up, but it took YouTube a while to send the signals. I'm not sure why. Probably they were backlogged. I'm not sure. I want to go back to Bitcoin. I think we just rejected the 37,800. Actually, sorry, 31, sorry. 31,800, not 37. Duh, it's kind of weird, right? Because I broke the 2K. Oh, I hadn't broken the 2K when those tips came in, dude. All those inner tubes are plugged up. Probably, man. Alex Parker, what happened to Ethereum? It's there. It's still there. Look, Ethereum. 1,323. It's pumping, dude. It's doing good. I'm not sure if they can short Doge, dude. Maybe there's places where you can short it. You got Ethereum Classic was $7? Interesting. Bob Barnes, space, 80% short next game. Next Jimmy. Interesting. Yeah. Can you short in Denmark? If they have exchange, if you can go on exchange where you can short, yeah, you can probably short. Hey bro, bought Doge at at 1.1. She's selling, think will come tomorrow. Dude, Cleo, I can't tell you what to do with your money. If you want to take profits, that's fine. If you want to write it out and see what happens tomorrow, write it out. Set up a stop loss if you're worried about it dropping below a certain level. Pray that your stop loss triggers at night and you're able to get out of your position in time. Bitcoin W on the hourly? Yeah. Bitcoin W on the 4 hour also. Talked about that earlier today, right? Larger W. This one, it's not the best looking W, right? You're going higher. I don't like that as a double bottom. And I'm not sure what the percent change is. I'm actually gonna have to measure it, but you know, yeah, you're in like 2%, but not looking the cleanest. I'll be putting more weight onto this one as a potential double bottom on the 4 hour if it is to trigger. But thanks for noticing and letting me know, man. Freaked up ghost. What is my opinion on DOT? Blad? I'm not sure, dude. I don't hold DOT. It's good. It's managed to squeeze itself into the top 10 cryptos. But other than that, I haven't even read their white paper, man. Someone said they have. Alex says he has. I do still have 80,000 Doge. Interesting. Good luck with that, bro. I hope you do good, right? Luis Ramos saying huddle. Belinda 007 W. Yeah. Looking like a W. Hold, YOLO, WSB. Great. Jabberwockies, you think gonna hit $1? What? Doge? Well, that's a meme, dude. I'm not sure if it's gonna hit $1. Wall Street Bets is pumping it. Sup, mods? What? What about Matic? A lot of people have been asking about Matic, dude. I haven't researched that one yet. I have some coins here that I put notes that I gotta research. Like Research Engine. Some other stuff that I've written down that I gotta research. But yeah, interesting. Mike Hanson's somebody buy 4 Doge coins. What are you doing? Buying 4 Doge coins. Yo, yeah, Wall Street Bets mentioned them, and it's gonna that Spanish accent? No, Mexican accent, dude. JT. Thank you for asking. Wall Street Bets stopping stuff. Yeah. You hear good things about Matic. Yep. Get it while it's cheap? Probably. Lisandro Peña, Matic is from India, so it'll be a huge market. Yeah, probably, man. Right. I just can't stop people from crowd trading. I agree with that, but if people start to come together to do that, it could become a problem. Exchanges might start to like put more rules there. Saludos, compa. Thank you, Almats. Mexico? Sure, man. If that's how you want to pronounce it. Thanks. Salutations to England, Nick. Leo Lee, Dodge support gonna hold? I'm not sure, man. Dodge is being pumped by some actors, so who knows who's gonna hold. Cartago, I'm hoping for a silver short squeeze. That's gonna be interesting if they do that, right? Boomer's still here, shooting through the wall. Boomer, what's up? I didn't think you were still here, man. You usually go to sleep by this time. Rick F. RSR is another good cheap one. Yeah, we did RSR earlier, man. Oh, so like no one. Oh, dude, Boomer, you wanted 1 inch, right? Inch. You haven't requested it properly. I'm gonna do 1 inch, and see how that's gonna work. Let's do 1 inch. Just because someone mentioned it. Right now, I'm not taking any more requests, right? I'm closed for requests. That's it. You were asleep, so you woke up. No more requests. I'm just gonna type it here. No more requests, guys. You fell asleep at your desk? Watch the back, bro. Watch the back, man. You just woke up to check your Doge. Yeah, 1 inch has been doing good. We checked it out the other day. I accidentally moved it. I had it here on the screen already. Where did I put 1 inch, dude? What is this nonsense? There we are. 1 inch. Okay, cool. Let's go on the daily. Hitting at 1618. Doesn't have anything bearish. That's fine. Doesn't have anything on the daily. Just bought at 67.36. Very nice. Hitting $3.16. Almost at $3.13. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had some bearish divergence, right? Esteban Saavedra is selling his kits to buy Doge. Interesting. I'm not sure that's going to be a good return on investment. Low to high. Then high to low, right? Bearish divergence. Action to downside. We moved down, hit that 20, try to take a pop. We created more bearish divergence here. More strong bearish divergence. This is the 4 hour, by the way. There we are. And then here we're coming from high to low, right? And then what happened is we did move down again, hit that previous 100%, got above that 20 on the next candle. So we effectively managed to go from high to a higher high. And we're coming from a positive momentum to less positive momentum. But do take into account that this is a new island that is just starting to build. It's only 2 candles or 2 bars deep. Again, this advanced the cross of the MACD, and it could face resistance with bearish divergence, with strong bearish divergence, and move down there, right? So again, super bullish. I'm not calling for the movement down right now, but I'd say it's potentially could move down on the bearish divergence, right? Let's roll to the 1 hour chart. Again, hidden bullish to the small pop. That's fine. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low, under our side to higher point. Yep. Nothing here that is bullish or bearish. Again, just regular market motion on the 1 hour. About to trigger that 1618. Ooh, very close. Ooh. Barely muted that for the sneeze. Yeah, thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, hit like the bell and sub, right? Also, join us on Discord. Links in the description. I'm gonna be right back, guys. I haven't taken a break in however long the stream has been. 3 hours and 29 minutes. I just gotta get more water real quick. Be right back. So let me go here and where's my, here we go. Thank you for that. Waiting for a small break. There we go. I'm back. Thank you all for waiting for me to that small break. And yeah, stretching the legs a little bit, which is good. If you're sitting down for a long period of time. Wow. Is music too loud still? I just lowered it a lot, so. Yeah, thank you for that, man. I appreciate that. Cloud Trumbull, does anyone think Doge will actually go up in the morning? Dude, it's anyone's to guess right now. It's being pumped on other stuff, right? So yeah, it could still hype up, and we'll see. Well, I guess we'll see tomorrow, right? Morning. If it was pumping on technicals, we could have other stuff going on there, but it's not pumping on technicals, unfortunately. You only got 1.7 thousand Doge. Interesting. All right, what's going to happen tomorrow morning? Interesting, right? 15 million? What is that? 15 minute or 15 million, Andrea? You're saying? I'm not sure. $100,500 Doge. Interesting. One inch. Wow, it did pump a lot, dude. It's pulling back down on 1 inch, right? So high of 3.31. Dude, Boomer, you're probably super excited for this. And now it's pushing back down. Cool. Great. RSA crypto has no cap. Yep. Scott Peterson. Wow, now super chat's caught up, right?
What's the best way to buy/sell Doge or any crypto? I've heard Robinhood isn't the best because of current price lag.
Great. Dude, again, is Doge on Binance? If you can find it on Binance, probably buy it there. I'm not sure if we have Binance. I'm not sure if it's on Binance. We'll check it out, dude. I'm not sure. I hold very little Doge, so. And I don't even have it on an exchange. So Dogecoin, here we go. 25, trending, I guess. Let's go to markets, dude. Right, when you don't know where to find a coin, go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Go to markets, right? So Scott Peterson Jr. Go to markets, and you're gonna see where it trades, right? Bittrex, you can probably find it if you can get on Bittrex. BKEX. Binance US. Look, Binance US. You can buy it on Binance US. Go to Binance and get it. All right. Gate.io, I'm not sure, but yeah, you know, Bittrex or Binance should work probably fine for buying it. Yeah, I would say there. Yo, you think hodl till morning or sell and go to sleep? Tyler, if you're worried about dropping it about a certain level, below a certain level, Put a stop loss. Scott, yeah, you're welcome, man. Thank you very much for the awesome 5 super chat, man. I really appreciate it, and thanks for I hope that kind of answered your question. I'll suggest Binance if you have an account there. Might be easier if you already have money in Binance, right? So I can just buy on Robinhood, probably. So-called meds. Bring facts. You can sell limit orders. Yeah. Yep, that's true. I want to be great. You can only buy it with Tether. Yeah. Bat Mudaki. I cannot suggest you anything, man. You gotta do your own research, right? But if you ask me, I like DVT. This project is doing insanely good. It's going up like 800% right now, a little bit less, but from where it was on December 18th, right? December 18th to now. Was it December 18th? Yeah, December 17th. Until now, to its high, it was about 900 and change. So about 800 and change right now. So I would suggest if you want to buy a coin, this one has gone up a lot. It's worth very little. Thank you all for being here, guys. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub, right? It's about balling with Doge. Yeah. It's like when you trade currencies, right? You need volume for the small swings to actually mean anything, or you need leverage, right? And I don't like using leverage. If you're buying with borrowed money, right, you're gonna get liquidated faster. Get move your capital from Robinhood to Webull, right? Cool. Want to be? I think Jake has a something from. I think Jake, Bitcoin Jake has a Webull account where if you buy with it, you get 3 free stocks or something like that. So just interesting. Check it out. Just about 12,000 coins. Cool. Dan C, how's it going? Thank you for being here. Yep. Jocelyn, yes. The guys from Wall Street Bets put up a tweet saying what crypto they should pump or something along those lines. And then they said, oh, Doge, isn't that meme coin? And apparently it started pumping afterwards, right? So if you know who Wall Street Bets is, they're the guys that have been pumping GameStop and AMC stock. But yeah. I cannot tell you what price to sell, man, because I'm not sure what price you got in, how much risk you're willing to take, what percentage you're willing to take at a loss. Sokol Mendez, join us on the Discord. You know, I won't be able to tell you there either, but at least, you know, you can set up a stop loss. Like, how much are you willing to lose? How much are you up right now? Like, those are questions that you got to answer for yourself. If you bought at like 10 and it's at 15 and you want to take a 5% hit, you're probably going to place your stop loss at 14 and change, right? Not sure how much, dude. That's things you have to determine. People cannot tell you what to buy and sell. Yeah, dude. Ain't it cool? I'm not sure how much you got, but if you got 10, you just basically went to $30 on DVT, which is really awesome. By the way, if you guys don't know, we did give away a lot of dough on DVT, $500 worth at the time. When it was up here, it was probably worth around $1,500. So we gave out a ton of dough. Yeah, no problem, Jocelyn. Someone said Dutch gonna ruin you. Ah, well, it kind of sucks. Think GameStop up 10x and then Doge just did 10x. Maybe Ricky F, I'm not sure. GameStop pumped a lot, dude. Pumped more than 10x. FOMO is real. Yes, it is very real. Bitcoin 31,703. Bearish divergence hidden, moving the price down. Ethereum 1,312. Also pumping, still green. Great. Hems are realer. Yeah, probably. It'll pop into morn. Maybe. We don't know. Do your own research. Saw Bitcoin to get Doge. Ooh. Interesting. Well, I guess time will tell if that was the smart thing to do or not. Trip clips. A lot of investors sleeping. Yeah, but you also got to remember, dude, Asia is a huge market and they're already awake, and Europe's going to come online in about an hour and a half or something like that. Maybe even an hour for some places. So, you know, we're going to get more investors to wake up. If you guys like the content that we do here, hit the like the bell itself. Join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Bitcoin won't go anywhere. Yeah. I agree with you. Bitcoin's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. Reventando bajito. Should we sell then buy again? Dude, I can't tell you what to do with your money. You gotta like come up with your own strategy, man, and test it and make sure it works. This is just like an education channel. Like, you know, how to chart, how to look at charts, how to read charts. The rest is entirely up to you. What you do with your money, no one can tell. $5 What about all those contracts closing in a few days? Yeah, that's kind of interesting, right? That those contracts could have a potential negative effect on Bitcoin, right? So it's going to be interesting, Firebeard. We don't know how the new contracts are going to be coming in, or like how these contracts are going to be closing out, basically. It's very interesting what's going to happen with the contracts. Ezra Link, no sleep? You're chugging coffee? Dude, I'm not going to chug coffee. I got to do stuff tomorrow, so I'm actually going to end the stream in a couple minutes. Or very soon, actually. It's very late for me. And I got a lot of things to do tomorrow. Why is Doge increasing Wall Street bets? Keep it a limit SV? Sure, maybe. Bradford Runnels. Interesting, Bradford. So you kids. Were your kids naughty? Or were they cool? I'm not sure. Doge is going down, not up. Yeah. It's been pulling back, right? Guys, that's going to be it for tonight. Again, this is Steady Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's been a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Tuesday night. Well, now Wednesday morning. Yeah, Thursday morning. Sorry. Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Dude, I just lost track of time. But guys, thank you for reals for being here again. This is Steady Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. If you like the content that we do on this channel, hit the like button and the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. We have a really, really cool community being built there. If you tip, you get access to pre-stream requests for tippers. If you're basically here and join the Discord, just let us know who you are. And you're going to get pre-stream requests just for being here, which is really cool. You don't have to wait for things to come here to queue up your coins. Doge 1.1. Again, pullback, right? We talked about it. What else? Remember, all the content that we provide here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. This is just, for education. If you believe this content, it's of value to you, friends of yours, or whoever around your circle of friends and family, let them know that we are here. We really want to grow this community, and it's the coolest when you grow this community with people that you know. So talk about cryptos to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers, and let them know that we are here. This is our crypto. It was a pleasure being here, guys, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.